feel like your hard-earned money isn't working as hard as it should? With rising inflation and economic uncertainty, traditional investments just aren't cutting it anymore. And that is why buying and stacking bullion makes perfect sense. Investing in gold, silver, and platinum isn't just about diversification. It's about safeguarding your wealth against the unpredictability of the market. Imagine owning gold, silver, and platinum in your investment portfolio. Well, now you can. With the prices of gold and silver on the rise, there's no better time to invest in precious metals. These assets have historically been a hedge against inflation and economic instability, making them a smart addition to any investment strategy. Did you know Stax Bowers Galleries offers weekly online auctions of bullion products every Thursday? These auctions are referred to as precious metals auctions, or PMA. Participating in our PMA is an excellent way to acquire high-quality bullion products at competitive prices. Don't let your money miss out on its full potential. Visit our website now to participate in our next precious metals auction. Secure your financial future with gold, silver, and platinum through Stax Bowers Galleries.
Pop open the champagne bottle. It's sold.
And last call, it is sold 825,000 to 244.
Sold for $2,500,000 to bidder 30. Congratulations.
Fair warning and last call. And it has officially sold.
So in United States, coins and metals are more than simple illustrations on small metal discs. Rather, they are expressions of the values, the aspirations, and the shared heritage of our nation.
Congratulations. Sold for $975,000.
We have $950 now in the back. Do I hear $1 million?
And it's sold $800,000 to bidder 109. Congratulations.
Going twice, last call. And it will officially sell.
In the realm of coin collecting, quality and appeal are paramount. Stax Bowers Galleries is pleased to introduce the opportunity for your coins to be collectible market qualified, also known as CMQ, where every coin is meticulously assessed by numismatic experts David Hall and Greg Roberts. Our goal is to only approve coins that exceed industry standards, setting a new benchmark for numismatic excellence. Coins with our CMQ stickers are recognized for their premium quality. Each CMQ sticker is a seal of approval from the industry's top experts, David Hall and Greg Roberts, ensuring that your coin stands out in the marketplace. Ready to elevate your collection? Submitting your coins is easy. Start by registering at our website, and then send us your coins for evaluation. Those that meet our standards will earn the CMQ sticker, marking them as premium quality within the numismatic community. Don't just collect, excel with CMQ. Visit our website to begin your submission process and unlock the potential of your coins today. Ever feel like your hard-earned money isn't working as hard as it should? With rising inflation and economic uncertainty, traditional investments just aren't cutting it anymore. And that is why buying and stacking bullion makes perfect sense. Investing in gold, silver, and platinum isn't just about diversification. It's about safeguarding your wealth against the unpredictability of the market. Imagine owning gold, silver, and platinum in your investment portfolio. Well, now you can. With the prices of gold and silver on the rise, there's no better time to invest in precious metals. These assets have historically been a hedge against inflation and economic instability, making them a smart addition to any investment strategy. Did you know Stax Bowers Galleries offers weekly online auctions of bullion products every Thursday? These auctions are referred to as precious metals auctions, or PMA. Participating in our PMA is an excellent way to acquire high-quality bullion products at competitive prices. Don't let your money miss out on its full potential. Visit our website now to participate in our next precious metals auction. Secure your financial future with gold, silver, and platinum through Stax Bowers Galleries.
the champagne bottle. It's sold.
And last call, it is sold 825,000 to 244.
Sold for $2,500,000 to bidder 30. Congratulations.
Fair warning and last call. And it has officially sold.
So in United States, coins and medals are more than simple illustrations on small metal discs. Rather, they are expressions of the values, the aspirations, and the shared heritage of our nation.
Congratulations. Sold for $975,000.
We have 950 now in the back. Do I hear $1 million?
And it's sold $800,000 to bidder 109. Congratulations.
Going twice, last call. And it will officially sell.
In the realm of coin collecting, quality and appeal are paramount. Stax Bowers Galleries is pleased to introduce the opportunity for your coins to be collectible market qualified, also known as CMQ, where every coin is meticulously assessed by numismatic experts David Hall and Greg Roberts. Our goal is to only approve coins that exceed industry standards, setting a new benchmark for numismatic excellence. Coins with our CMQ stickers are recognized for their premium quality. Each CMQ sticker is a seal of approval from the industry's top experts, David Hall and Greg Roberts, ensuring that your coin stands out in the marketplace. Ready to elevate your collection? Submitting your coins is easy. Start by registering at our website, and then send us your coins for evaluation. Those that meet our standards will earn the CMQ sticker, marking them as premium quality within the numismatic community. Don't just collect, excel with CMQ. Visit our website to begin your submission process and unlock the potential of your coins today. feel like your hard-earned money isn't working as hard as it should? With rising inflation and economic uncertainty, traditional investments just aren't cutting it anymore. And that is why buying and stacking bullion makes perfect sense. Investing in gold, silver, and platinum isn't just about diversification. It's about safeguarding your wealth against the unpredictability of the market. Imagine owning gold, silver, and platinum in your investment portfolio. Well, now you can. With the prices of gold and silver on the rise, there's no better time to invest in precious metals. These assets have historically been a hedge against inflation and economic instability, making them a smart addition to any investment strategy. Did you know Stax Galleries offers weekly online auctions of bullion products every Thursday? These auctions are referred to as precious metals auctions, or PMA. Participating in our PMA is an excellent way to acquire high-quality bullion products at competitive prices. Don't let your money miss out on its full potential. Visit our website now to participate in our next precious metals auction. Secure your financial future with gold, silver, and platinum through Stax Galleries.
Pop open the champagne bottle. It's sold.
And last call, it is sold 825,000 to 244.
Sold for $2,500,000 to bidder 30. Congratulations.
Fair warning and last call. And it has officially sold.
So in United States, coins and metals are more than simple illustrations on small metal discs. Rather, they are expressions of the values, the aspirations, and the shared heritage of our nation.
Congratulations. Sold for $975,000.
We have $950 now in the back. Do I hear $1 million?
And it's sold $800,000 to bidder 109. Congratulations.
Going twice, last call. And it will officially sell.
the realm of coin collecting, quality and appeal are paramount. Stax Bowers Galleries is pleased to introduce the opportunity for your coins to be collectible market qualified, also known as CMQ, where every coin is meticulously assessed by numismatic experts David Hall and Greg Roberts. Our goal is to only approve coins that exceed industry standards, setting a new benchmark for numismatic excellence. Coins with our CMQ stickers are recognized for their premium quality. Each CMQ sticker is a seal of approval from the industry's top experts, David Hall and Greg Roberts, ensuring that your coin stands out in the marketplace. Ready to elevate your collection? Submitting your coins is easy. Start by registering at our website, and then send us your coins for evaluation. Those that meet our standards will earn the CMQ sticker, marking them as premium quality within the numismatic community. Don't just collect, excel with CMQ. Visit our website to begin your submission process and unlock the potential of your coins today. Ever feel like your hard-earned money isn't?
Welcome to the Stax Bowers Galleries Showcase Auction, broadcasting live from Griffin Studios in Costa Mesa, California. Before we begin, please note the following announcements. Today's auction is being held in accordance with the terms of sale as outlined in the catalog and our website, staxbowers.com. To every winning hammer price, a 20% buyer's premium will be added plus any applicable sales tax. Due to the 2018 Supreme Court ruling on internet sales tax, we are required by law to collect applicable sales and use tax in certain states even though we do not have a physical presence there. The auctioneer reserves the right to execute bids on behalf of the absentee bidder up to their maximum bid amount, which is noted in the auctioneer's book. We are accepting cut bids once the lot reaches a minimum hammer price of $500 or more. Cut bids are only allowed once per lot per bidder. Please note, if you plan to bid in today's auction, you will be competing against the phone bank, sales floor, absentee bids, and live internet bids. If you make a mistake in bidding, or if we miss your bid, let us know as soon as possible. Otherwise, we may not be able to rectify the situation. Lot pickup will be conducted at our headquarters in Costa Mesa, California on an appointment basis. If you intend to pick up your lots, please see a Stax Bowers representative to book your appointment. This concludes the auction announcements. Whether you are bidding here in the sales floor or from the safety and comfort of your home, we wish you good luck.
Broadcasting from Griffin Studios in beautiful Southern California. Welcome to the Stax Bowers Galleries live online auction.
Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome to Stax Bowers Galleries Spring 2026 Showcase Auction Session 5, Part 1, featuring Colonial notes, Continental, Obsoletes, Caine Obsoletes, and more. And I'll be your auctioneer for the first hour and a half. With that, Without further ado, we have lot number 1. Opening up here with the Colonial Notes, lot number 1, the Benjamin Franklin imprint. We're opening up the bidding at $4,800 here on the book, looking for $5,000 to come on back in. Online bidders, let's get the bids going here on the first lot of the day, first lot of the session. We have it at $4,800, $5,000 prior book bid. Gonna take $5,500 to come on back. We have it at $5,000, looking for $5,500. Come on back, online bidders. Book still has it at $5,000 prior book bid, and now you taking it away at $5,500. How about $6,000 on up to continue on? We have it at $5,500 now online, away from the book. Anyone else to come back in here, first lot of the day for $6,000 on up for the advance. That's $5,500 now, looking for $6,000 to advance. Going once. $5,500 now, would you bid up to $6,000 going twice? Last chance and final call. Now sold for $5,500 to you, online bidder, paddle 1183. We follow up here with lot number 2, opening up at $1,100 now. Would you bid up to $1,200? That's $1,100 now, looking for $1,200 to continue on forward. Online bidders, come on back in for the $1,200 bid. That's $1,100. It's here with the book. Looking at you, come on back for $1,200 because it's going once. That's $1,100 here in the book. Looking for $1,200 on up, going twice. This is your last chance, your final call for that $1,200. Now sold for $1,100 to the book bidder, $2,996. Following here, lot number 3, opening up at $700 now. Would you bid up to $750? We have it $700. Online bidders, would you come on back for $750 here? Third lot of the day, let's see it up with you. That's $700 here with the book, bidding on $750, going once. $700 here, would you bid up to $750 there, going twice? Last chance to you, final call for $750. And we sell it for $700 to the book bidder, $68.57. Following here with lot number 4, opening up at $1,200 on the book, looking for $1,300 on for the advance. Book getting us started at $1,200. Online bidders, let it be with you for $1,300 to continue on up. That's $1,200 here with our book bidder, looking for $1,300 online, going once. $1,200 here in the book, looking for $1,300 online, going twice. This is your last chance, your final call for that $1,300 bid. We now sell it for $1,200 to the book bidder, $279,087. Following now with lot number 5, opening up at $1,100. Would you bid it on up to $1,200? That's $1,100. It's here with the book, getting it started. Online bidders, let's see it come on back for $1,200, shall we? That's $1,100, $1,200, and away with the book. And on with online at $1,200. Would you bid it up to $1,300? We have it at $1,200 now online. Anyone else for $1,300 to continue on forward from here? That's $1,200, $1,300, competition getting started. Let's see $1,400 on back with you. Original online bidder, you've been outbid. You know what to do. Let's see it on with you. That's $1,400 back in, looking $1,500 on for the advance. That's $1,400 back with the original. New online bidder, perhaps you or a third party for $1,500. And we have you at $1,500 now. Would you come on back for $1,600? Original online bidder, third time's the charm. Come on back for $1,600. We have it at $1,500 now, but up to $1,600. $1,600 now. Would you bid on to $1,700? That's $1,600. Let's see the $1,700 to continue on forward. $1,600 now, but to $1,700 going once. It's $1,600 now, but it's $1,700 going twice. Last chance and final call for $1,700. Now sold for $1,600. Thank you for your bids and congratulations on limiter at 1183. Moving forward from here with lot number 6, we open up at $900 now. Would you bid up to $950? We have it at $900. Getting it started with the book on limiters. Come on back in for that $950 bid. We have it at $900 here with the book. Looking at you, $950 on limiters. Now's your chance. And we have it at $900, $950, $1,000 back with the book, and $1,100 clearing it away. Online bidder has it for now at $1,100. Anyone else for $1,000 to continue on forward? That's $1,100 now online, but up to $1,200 to come on back. Going once. $1,100 now online, but up to $1,200 going twice. Anyone else? Last chance. Final call. Now sold for $1,100 to you on limiter at 1183. Moving on from here with lot number 7, the excessively rare note from a rare emission here. Undescribed in Newman text, likely unique for the denomination. Opening up at $5,000 now, but up to $5,500. I have it at $5,000, looking for $5,500 to come on back here with lot number 7 on limiters. We have it at $5,000. Do you have it at $5,500? Yes, you do, or rather the book holding steady on a prior book bid. Still their bid here. Would you like to come back for $6,000 there? Yes, you would. $6,000 in, book is out. Welcome back. Let's see $6,500 on for an advance. Any other online bidders here for $6,500? They have it at $6,000, clearing it from the book. Do you have it for $6,500 to continue on forward from now? We have it at $6,000, looking for $6,500 going once. $6,000, would you bid up to $6,500 going twice? Last chance and final call for $6,500. Now sold for $6,000 to the online bidder, at 1183. Following with lot number 8, we open up at 400 now, but up to 420. That's 400 on the book. Getting it started on limiters, let it be on to you for $420. That's 400 here with the book, bid on to 420. We have 400, 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 525, and 550 clearing it away. Very well done for now on limiter. Anyone else for 600 on for the advance? That's 550 now on line, but it's 600 going once. 550 on line, but it's 600 going twice. Last chance, final call. 575 is in, 550 out. Would you continue on up to 600? Original limiter, you've been outbid. Another cup bid. Would you come on back for $25 more for the even 600 bid? And 600 is in, cup bids out. Would you follow up by 650? That's 600 now, looking for 650 on to advance. 600 here, bid 650 to clear, going once. Looking for 650 now, going twice. Last chance and final call. Now sold for 600 online, paddle 1300. Our following lot, lot number 9, opens up at 775 with a cup bid with the book bidder looking for 800 on with you. That's 775. It's with the book. You know what to do, on limiters. Come on back in. You are in. Book is out. Anyone else for 850 on for the advance now? We have it 800 online. Anyone else for 850 on? Let's see that advance bid. That's 800 now, but it on to 850 going once. 800 now, would you have it on to 850 going twice? Last chance and final call for 850. Now sold for 800 to the on limiter, paddle 1183. Lot number 10 follows, opening up at 700 now, but it's 750. We have it at 700, looking at the 750 to come on back in on limiters. It's 700 here, let it be on to you for 750 to clear. 700, 750 now, but on to 800. Let's come on back for the 800 on limiters. That's 750 now online, away from the book. Anyone else for 800? And we have it now. What do you bid up to 850? That's 800 with the new on limiter, looking for 850 on back. We have it at 850 with the original on limiter. Would you bid on to 900? We have it at 850 with the original new on limiter. Would you come on back a second time, perhaps, for an even 900 bid? That's 850 now, but on to 900 going once. 850 now, but on to 900 going twice. Last chance, final call for 900. Sold for 850 to the on limiter, paddle 1183. Following with lot number 11, opening up at 925 on a cup bid with the book getting started. Let's see 950 on back with you. On limiters, easy choice to make for $25 more. Let's get the 950 in here. We have it at 925, 950, 1,000 on back with the book, looking for 1100 to follow. 1050 prior book bid, but 1100 clearing it away. Very well done, persistent on limiter. Anyone else for 1200 on for the advance now? We have it at 1,100 now online, looking for 1,200 to continue on up. On limiters, let's see those bids. That's 1,100 online, but it's to 1,200 going once. 1,100 online, would you bid at 1,200 going twice? Last chance and final call. Sold for 1,100 to the on limiter, 251, 194. We follow here with lot number 12, opening up at 950 now, we're down to 1,000. I have it at 950, getting it started. It's with the book on limiter. Come on back for the even 1,000. It's the last $50 increment, and it could be with you. That's 950 here, but undo 1,000 to clear. And we have it at 950, 1,000 back with the book on a prior book bid, looking for 1,100 to continue on. It's 1,000 prior book bid on limiter, not yet yours. Perhaps second time's the charm. Let's see that 1,100 bid here on in. That's 1,000 now, but undo 1,100 going once. 1,000 now, would you bid undo 1,100 going twice? Last chance and final call. No regrets. Now sold for 1,000 to book bidder 3411. Following here with lot 13, opening up at 1,300 now, would it be done to 1,400? I have it at 1,300, looking for 1,400 to come on back on limiters. That's 1,300 here with the book. Let it be on for 1,400. Continue on up. That's 1,300 here on limiters. It's only going to take 1,400 to clear. Come on back in. That's 1,300 now, but to 1,400 going once. 1,300 now, but into 1,400 going twice. Last chance to you. Final call for 1,400. And it's sold for 1,300 to the book bidder 8672. Our following lot, lot 14, opens up at 4,040 now to 4,600. Getting it started, it's here with the book at 4,400 on limiters. Let's see you come on back for 4,600. With the book, you know what to do on limiters. It's going to take 4,600 to beat. Come on back in. That's 4,040 now with the book, bid up to 4,600 going once. 4,040 here with the book, and there we go. 44, 46, 48, 5,000. Prior book bid, going to take 5,500 now. Book holding steady on a prior book bid at 5,000. Still with them, not yet with you. Let's see 5,500 on for the advance. That's 5,000 even here, bid on to 5,500 to clear there, going once. 5,000 now, but up to 5,500 going twice. Welcome back on limiter. You are in. Book is out. Anyone else for an even 6,000 on for an advance. That's 5,500 now online, but it's to 6,000 going once. 5,500 now, but on 6,000 going twice. Last chance, final call with even 6,000 bid. And we sell it for 5,000. Oh, in under the wire. we have a cup bid. We'll keep this lot 14 open for you, cup bidder. We have you in at $5,750, taken away from the $5,500 in under the wire on a cup bid for only $250 more. Coming on back for even $6,000 original online bidder. Thank you very much. Let's see, $6,500 on. New online bidder, you came under the wire, but the full increment's back in. Time for you to make a full increment bid for $6,500. We have it at $6,000, looking for $6,500 to continue on up. That's $6,000 now, but under $6,500 going once. $6,000 now, but under $6,500 going twice. Last chance, final call. Now sold for $6,000 to the online bidder at $1,183. Following here with lot number 15, which opens up at $1,400 now, but even under $1,500. I have it at $1,400, looking for $1,500 on. Limited, let's see you on in here for $1,500. I have it at $1,400 with the book, looking for $1,500 here on up. Going once, and 15's in, 14's out, as well as the book. Everyone else for 16 on to continue on forward. And we have it at $1,500, $1,600, come on back for $1,700. Original unlimited, you've been outbid, you know what to do. Let's see you come on back in for the $1,700 bid. That's 16 here, down to 1,700 to clear, going once. 1,600, would you bid 1,700 going twice? Last chance, final call for 1,700. Now sold for 1,600 online, pedal 1,300. Lot 16 is our next lot, opening up at 1,050 here, done to 1,100 to you to clear it on up. We have it at 1,050. Do you have it at 1,100 on? Bidders, come on back in. Cup bids here, you know what to do. And 1,100 is in, cup bids out, as well as the book. Anyone else for 1,200 to continue on up? That's 1,100 here online, but at 1,200 any competition, because it's going once. 1,100 now, would you be done to 1,200 going twice? Last chance, final call for 1,200. Anyone else? Sold to you online for 1,100, paddle 1,300. Our following lot here, lot 17, opens up at 600 now, would you be done to 650? I have it at 600, unlimited, let's see you come on back for 650. Now's your chance, hop on in for 650. When 650's in, but it's a prior book bid, not yet yours. Perhaps 700 take it on away. That's 650 here with our book bidder, prior bid before the auction, and 700's in live. Clear it away. Let's see 750 on up. I have it at 700 now online, but at 750 to come on back in. On bidders, that's $50 more. Anyone else on for the advance? That's 700 now, but down to 750 going once. 700 now, but down to 750 going twice. Last chance and final call for 750. Sold for 700 to the online bidder, 293,571. Following here with lot 18, looking for 900 here to get the bidding started on bidders. That's your bid to make. Let's see 900 here on in. That's your cue to bid here for the 1777, $3. 900 is on in. Let's get 950 to continue on up. They had interest, so should you on bidders. Let's get some more action going here for 950 here on this lot. That's 900 now on live, but into 950 to come on back in, going once. 900, 950 now, comments on, original unlimited, would you come on back for the 1,000? Last $50 increment would be a wise choice to make before we hit the $100 increments. There we go, 975 on a cup bid, we'll see if it lasts. Only $25 now. Let's see the 1,000 on up. That's 975 with the original unlimited, looking for 1,000 on up, going once. 975 on a cup bid, looking for 1,000 on up, going twice. Last chance, final call for the even 1,000. Sold on a very well used cup bid, 975. Congratulations on the bidder, 1,300. Following here with lot 19, opening up at 550 now, would you be down to 600? There we go, 500, 550, 600, 650 now, would you be down to 700? I've hit 650 now online, rapid succession bid, clearing away from the book. Let's get 700 to follow it on up. That's 650, 675, would you follow on for 700? Original unlimited, you've been here before, and there we go, 700 on back, clearing away from the cup bid. Let's get 750 on for a full increment bid. That's 700 now online with the original unlimited, looking for 750 from the new unlimited or anyone else going once. 700 now, would you bid 750 going twice? Last chance, final call for that 750. Sold for 700 even to the unlimited, 294,677. Following here with lot 20, we open up at 575 now, bid into 600. That's 575 with the cup bid with the book, cleared away by 600, but it's still with the book holding steady on their prior book bid, and 650 cleared away. Very well done online bidders, second time's the charm. 650 now online, but it's 700. Anyone else to come on back in? That's 650 now online, looking for 700 on up, going once. 650 now, but he's done to 700 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 700. Now sold for 650 online, pal 293,571. Following here with the obsolete notes out of Arkansas with lot 21, opening up at 800 now, we're down to 850. We have at 800 here with the book getting it started. Let it be on to you for 850. On the bidder, come on back in for $50 more. That's 800 here in the book, but on to 850 to you, going once. 800 now, we're down to 850 going twice. Last chance and final call on the bidders, are you sure? Let's see the 850. but we'll sell it for the even 800 to the book bidder, about 273, 673. Following here out of California with lot 22, looking for 600 on in here for the uncut block of 40, and we have it out of the gate at 600 now, looking for 650 on for the advance. That's 600 now online. On the bidders, let's see you come on back for 650, only $50 more. Let's keep the action going for 650 here on in. That's 600 now online, but it's 650 going once. 600 now, but it's 650 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 650. Now sold for 600, pal 179.58. Following here with lot 23, another uncut block of 40 here, opening up at 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 1,100 on cleared away. Now online at 1,100 away from the book. Anyone else for 1,200 to follow it on up? That's 1,100 now online, looking for 1,200 to follow. Anyone else to come on back and keep the competition on between the book and the online bidder. That's 1,100 now, but at 1,200 going once. 1,100 now, but at 1,200 going twice. Last chance, final call for 1,200. And we sell it for 1,100 to you on the bidder, 179.58. Following here with lot 24, which opens up at 500 now, but it to 550. We have 500 here, 550 clearing it away right at the gate, and off we go with you on the bidder at 550. Anyone else for 600 on to follow. That's 550 online. Anyone else for 600 now? $50 more could be in your favor. We have 575 on a cup bid, 25 more cleared away at 600 now, looking for 650. Back with your draw on the bidder away from the cup bid. New on the bidder, would you like to take 650 for the advance? That's 600 now, down to 650 going once. 600 now, down to 650 going twice. Last chance, final call for 650. Sold for 600 to the on the bidder, 179.58 once more. Following up here with lot 25, opening up at 900 now, but down to 950. We have it at 900, 950, 1,000 cleared away. Let's see a little bit on up for the advance. Strong interest out of the gate with the on the bidder. Other on the bidder, let's see you come on back in. They had interest, so should you, for 1,100. I have 1,000 here, but undo 1,100 to clear to come on back in for the online bidder, going once. 1,000 now, but undo 1,100 going twice. Last chance, 1050's in on the cup bid, cleared away right at the gate now with 1,100 back with the original on the bidder, looking for 1,200 on for the advance. That's 1,100 with the original on the bidder, new on the bidder. We saw your cup bid once more. Time for that full increment bid. We've been here before, you know what to do. I've got 1,100 here, but down to 1,200 to clear, going once. 1,100 here, but down to 1,200 there, going twice. Last chance, final call for 1,200. And we sell it for 1,100 to the original on the bidder, 179.58. On now with this lot 26, opening up with an asking price of 6,000 here on in out of Denver City. We have it at 6,000 on in now with online bidder looking for 6,500 on up. On the bidders, come on back in. The territory of Jefferson here. We have it at 6,000. Let it be on to you for 6,500. That's 6,000 online, looking for 6,500 on up. On the bidders, let's see some action. Come on back in. Only $500 more to keep it on going here with this lot. That's 6,000 online, but it's 6,500. Come on back in, online bidders. We have it going once. 6,000 now, but it's 6,500 going twice. This is your last chance, your final call. No regrets here. Sold for 6,000 to the on limiter, 179.58. We follow here at Florida with lot 27, opening at 1,800 now, but down to 1,900. I have it at 1,800 here. Let it be on for 1,900 to clear. On limiter, come on back in. $100 more could be in your favor for the 1,900 here on in. That's 1,800 here with the book. Getting it started. Looking for 1,900 from you. We have it 1,800, 1,850, 1,900 on it with the book bidder looking for 2,000 on back. Cup bid didn't quite take. Full increment bid back with the book looking for an even 2,000 with you. That's 1,900, 2,000 cleared away. Very well done. On the bidder, you're back at 2,000. Book is out. Anyone else for 2,200? And we have it now looking for 2,400 on. That's 2,200 now online. Looking for 2,400 here on up. 2,200 now, but 2,400 to come on back in. Going once. 2,200 with the new on the bidder looking for 2,400 going twice. Last chance, final call for 2,400. And it's sold for 2,200. Pal 315, 619. Following here out of Kansas with lot 28, looking for only 480 here to get the bidding started. Stack Pirate Live, the last $20 meant to hop on in. Let's see the 480 on with you here on this lot out of Kansas. Looking for 480 here, and we have it now. Anyone else for 500 on to clear? Only $20 more up to 500. That's 40 now online, but at 500. Anyone else to come on back in? Going once. 40 now, but into 500 going twice. Last chance, final call. Anyone else for that 500 bid? Now sold for 480 to you, online bidder. Paddle 216, 331. Following here with this lot 29, opening up at 600 now, but at 650. Here at Louisiana, we have it at 600, getting it started, looking for 650 on for the advance. That's 600 here with the book. On the bidder, let's see you there for 650, continue it on up. 600 now, but into 650 going once. We have it at 600 here in the book, looking for 650 on back with you. It's going twice. This is your last chance, your final call for that 650. Now sold for 600 to the book bidder 253,675. Following now to Massachusetts with lot 30, opening up with a 480 asking price. On limiters, let's see you come on back in, easy ask, easy bid. We have 40 in, let's see it on limiters back with you. That's looking for 40 here going once. Looking for 40 here going twice. And you're in at 480 online bidder. Let's get 500 on up for the competition. We've been here before. Only $20 more to get to 500, and it's that last $20 increment. We have it at 40 online, but at 500 to come on back in, going once. 40 now, we have it at 500 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 500. Sold 480 online to the bidder 2168. Following here with lot 31, opening up at 40 now, but into 500. I have it at 480, getting us started. Let's see 500 on back with you. On the bidders, come on back. It's with the book at 480. Let it be on to you for 500. Only $20 more, last $20 increment. That's 40 now, but into 500 going once. 40 now, but into 500 going twice. Last chance, final call for 500. Sold for 480 to the bidder 7938. Following with lot 32, opening up here for 2,400 on limiters. Come on back in here. One of Peter's favorites, a rarely offered set of obsolete printing plates from Massachusetts. Looking for that 2,400 here on in for the lot of 8. Stax Bowers Live, there you go. 2,400 on in. Let's see 2,600 on up. We have it at 2,400 on limiters. Be a wise choice to make for 2,600 easy ask. Let's get those bids here on in for 2,600. That's 2,400 here online. Let's get some more action here on in for 2,600 here on this lot because it's going once. That's 2,400 now, but then 2,600 going twice. This is your last chance, your final call for that 2,600. No regrets on limiters. Now sold for 2,400 to you on limiter 208-313. Following here out of Mississippi with lot 33, opening up at 40 now, but then to 500. I have it at 40. Let me on to 500 to come on back in on limiters. That's $20 more to you for that 500 bid. That's 40 here with the book, bid on to 500 to clear, going once. 40 here, bid on to 500 to clear, going twice. This is your last chance, your final call. Sold for 480 to the book bidder, pedal 2980. We follow here with lot 34, opening up at 1,500 now, but under 1,600. I have it at 1,500, looking for 1,600 to come on back in here out of North Carolina. That's 1,500 now, but under 1,600 is with the book bidder. On limiters, that's to you. Come on back for 1,600 because it's going once. That's 1,500 here at the book, but under 1,600 going twice. We have it at 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000, 2,200, and the book's still holding strong. Let's see 2,400 on for the advance to come on back. On limiters, perhaps one more bid back with you. We have it at 2,200 here with the book, but down to 2,400 going once. 2,200 now, but then 2,400 going twice. It's still with the book. Last chance, final call, online bidder. Now sold for 2,200 to the book bidder, 315,829. Following here with lot 35, a rarely offered Civil War era issue from the Indian Territory of Oklahoma. Holding up at 2,600 now, but into 2,800. We have it at 2,600, looking for 2,800 on with you. Onloader, come on back in. We should see some stronger interest here. Come on in for 2,800. That's the bid to make. That's 2,600 here with the book, getting us started. Looking for 2,800 there online, going once. 2,600 here with the book, but under 2,800 online, going twice. This is your last chance, your final call for 2,800. Now sold for 2,600 to the book bidder, 1,248. Following here to Rhode Island with lot 36, looking for only 480 to get the bidding started. Stax Bowers Live here for the 1863 $1 PMG, very fine 25, and opening up at 40 now with you online bidder. Let's see 500 on for the advance. Only $20 more to get to 500, and from there $50 increments. And there we have it at 500 and 550. Now let's see it on to 6. 575, 600, would you bid it up to 650? That's 600 cleared away from the cup bid, full increment bid. Come on back for a full increment of 650 on bidder. Let's see it on to you. That's 600 now, but into 650 to come on back, going once. 600 now, but into 650 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 650. Now sold for 600 online, pedal 179.58. We follow here out of Texas with lot 37 opening up at 1,200 now, but under 1,300. It's at 1,200 here. Let it be on to you for 1,300 clear on the bidder. Come on back in for 1,300. That's 1,200 here with the book, but on to 1,300 to advance, going once. 1,200 here, but on to 1,300 to clear. Let's see that advance going twice. Last chance, final call for 1,300 to you. Now sold for 1,200 to the book bidder, 1,761. Our lot 38 follows next, opening up at 1,000 now added to 1,100. Getting us started here at 1,000. Let it be on for 1,100 to advance. On the bidder, come on back in for 100 more. That's 1,000 now added to 1,100 on back with you, going once. 1,000 here with the book, getting started. Let's see that 1,100 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 1,100. Now sold for 1,000 even to the book bidder, 1,761. 39 is right along now, opening up at 750 now, but at 800. Getting started at 750. On limiters, come on back in for 8. That's 750 here for $50 more. Let's see the 800 here on in. That's 750 now, but under 800 going once. 750 here with the book bet on to 800 to you going twice. We've hit 750, 800, 850, 900, 950. Would you bet on to 1,000? 1,000 on in. Prior book bet gonna take 1100 now to beat. 1,000 not yet yours on limiter. Still with the book holding steady. Gonna take 1100 on to beat. Come on back in. Third time's the charm. That's 1,100 bid to you. We have it 1,000 here, but on to 1100 on to clear. Going once. 1,000 now, but into 1,100 going twice. This is your last chance, your final call. So for 1,000 even on a prior book bid, pedal 286, 816. Following here into Delaware with the Caine collection of obsolete banknotes with lot 40. We open up at 1,300 now, but into 1,400. I have it at 1,300 here on limiters. Come on back for the 1,400 there to clear. That's 1,300 with the book getting started. Let's see 1,400 here. First slot out of the Caine collection of obsolete banknotes. 1,300 now, but into 1,400 going once. That's 1,300 here, but down to 1,400 there going twice. Last chance, final call for 1,400. Now sold for 1,302. The book bidder 240,305. 41 is right up next, opening up at 850 now, but into 900. We have 850 here, getting it started. On limiters, come on back for 900 to clear. That's your bid to make. That's 850 now, but into 900 going once. 850 now, but into 900 going twice. Last chance, and final call for that 900 to you. And we sell it for 850. To the book bidder, 43.97. Following now with lot 42, opening up at an opening bid of 40 now, but into 500, and we have it to 40, 500, 550. Now would you come on back for 6? You had interest once. Let's see it again on the bidder. Come on back for the 600 bid. That's 550 here with the book, but on to 600 on back with you. And we have it at 600, 650. Now would you bid on to 7? We have it at 650 here, but on to 700 to clear. Perhaps third time's the charm on the bidder. Let's see 700 on back with you. That's 650, 675 on a cup bid and 700 full increment back with the book. Perhaps 750 now to beat. We have it at 700 here. Would you bid on 750 to clear on the bidder? Come on back in. The cup bid didn't quite take time for a full increment bid to finish us out. I have it at 700 now. Would you bid on 750 going once? 700 now. Would you bid at 750 going twice? Last chance. Final call for 750. Sold for 700 to the book bidder, pedal 43.97. On we go with lot 43, opening up at 1,100 now, but at 1,200. Getting started at 1,100, let it be on for 1,200 on to advance. On the bidder, come on back in for the 1,200 bid. It's with the book, you know what to do. Let's see on for 1,200. And we have 1,100, 1,150, 1,200 now. Would you come on back for 1,300? That's 1,200 back with the book, looking for 1,300 on up with you. Full increment, and there we go. 1,200, 1,300, 1,400 now. It's seat on 1,500. I have it at 1,400. It's back with the book. Would you come on back for 1,500 on live bidder? The book's holding steady. How about you? That's 1,400 now, but into 1,500 going once. 1,400 now, but even on to 1,500 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 1,500. So for 1,400 to the book bidder, 43.97. Lot 44 follows up, opening up at 40 now, we'll down to 500. We have it at 40, 500, 550 now, we'll down to 6. 600, 650 now, we'll down to 7. 700 now, prior book bid gonna take 750 to beat. That's 750 in, book is out. Welcome back on the bidder. Anyone else for 800 on to follow? That's 750 now online, looking for 800 on the bidder. Let's get some more bidding on in here for the even 800 bid. That's 750 now, but under 800 going once. 750 now, looking at that 800 going twice. Last chance, final call for 800. Now sold for 750 to the on limiter 286, 526. Off we go with lot 45, opening up at 600 now, we did on to 650. I've did 600, 650. Let's see it on to 7. It's with the on limiter now, away from the book at 650, looking for 700 on up. That's 650 here. Anyone else for 700 on to clear, because we have it going once. 650 now, but 700 going twice. Last chance, final call. Anyone else for that 700, and you're in at 700, they are out at 650. Anyone else for 750 on to follow. And we have it 750 now, looking for 800 on for the advance. 750 back with the draw on the bidder, new on the bidder would like to bid 800 on up. That's 750 now, but on to 800 going once. 750 now, but even down to 800 going twice. Last chance, final call for the even 800. Now sold for 750 to the on limiter, pedal 286, 526. Lot 46 follows, opening up at 300 now, but down to 320. We have 300 here, getting it started. Let it be on to you for 320 to clear. On the bidders, it's with the book, you know what to do. Only $20 more to hop on in. That's 300 now, but down to 320 to come on back in. It's with the book, and it's going once. That's 300 now, but down to 320 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 320 to you. Now sold for an even 300 to the book bidder, pedal 1501. We follow here with lot 47, the usual $1 counter, opening up with an asking price of only $360 on the bidder. Come on back in. Here from 1866, the $1 unusual counter, looking for you on limiters to bid 360 to get the bidding started. That's looking for 360 here, going once. Looking for 360 here, going twice. Last chance, final call here on the slot. Or that we will. Not quite close it because 360 is in with you on limiter. Welcome back in. Everyone else for 380 on for $20 more. They had interest and so should you. Let's keep it on going for $20 more for that 380 bid here on in. That's 360 now in live at 380 going once. 360 now at 380 going twice. Last chance final call for that 380. Now sold to you on limiter for 360. Pal 208 313. Following here with lot 48, opening at 1,100 now at 1,200. Getting us started at 1,100. Let it be on for 1,200 on for the advance. It's 1,100, 1,150, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400 now. Would you come on back for 1,500? It's back with the book at 14. Let it be on to you for 1,500 on limiter. The book's holding strong, so should you. 1,450, 1,500 back with the book, looking for 1,600 on for full increment advance. That's 1,500 now at 1,600. Let's keep it on going. On limiter's cup bid's not quite taking it. Time for 1,600 bid. That's 1,500 now with the book, bid it under 1,600 going once. 1,500 now at 1,600 going twice. Last chance final call with that 1,600. So 1,500 to the book bidder, 43.97. Following here with lot 49, opening up at 360 now at into 380. We have it at 360. Get the bidding started here with the book. We need that bid for 380 on. That's 360 here with the book, bid under 380 to advance. Going once. 360 here with the book, bid under 380 going twice. Last chance final call with that 380 to you. So for 360 to the book bidder, pal 240-305. We follow here with lot 50, opening up at 900 now at into 950. Here at 900, let it be on to you for 950. We have it at 900, 950,000. Now would you come on back for 1,100? 1,100, 1,200. Now would you come on back for 1,300? Book holding steady at 1,200. Going to take 1,300 down to beat. That's 1,200 here with the book. Perhaps third time's the charm to you. On the come on back in for that 1,300 bid here on in. That's 1,200 now with the book, bid at 1,300 going once. 1,200 here with the book, bid down to 1,300 with you going twice. Why is you done? You are in. Book is out. We have it at 1,300 now, looking for 1,400 to come on back in. Anyone else for the advance? That's 1,300 now at into 1,400 going once. 1,300 now at into 1,400 going twice. And the cup bid comes in at 1,350. Let's see 1,400 now. That's 1,350 now at into 1,400 going once. 1,350 and a cup bid, looking for 1,400 going twice. Original online bidder, last chance, final call for $50 more to you. Now sold on that cup at 1,350. Well-used cup at unlimited, paddle 286, 526. We follow here with lot 51, which opens up at 700 now at 750. Here at 700, let it be on for 750 to come on back in on limiters. We have it at 700 on the book. Could take 750 to beat. And we have a 700, 725, 750 now, looking for 800 on for the advance. It's at 750, 800, 850 now, would be done to 900. We have 850, 900 now, clearing away. Very well done. Persistence paying off on limiter. Anyone else for 950 on to continue on up? We have it at 900 now, 950 following up, looking for 1,000 on to continue. That's 950, looking for 1,000 on limiters. Come on back in, 1,000 now clearing away, and in the $100 increments we go. 1,100 on up following, looking for 1,200 on for the advance. We have it at 1,100, looking for the 1,200 to come on back on limiters. Let's see you for 1,200. That's 1,100 now on limited to 1,200 going once. 1,100 now on limited to 1,200 going twice. Last chance final call for 1,200 to you. Now sold for 1,100 online, pal 7107. Following up here with lot 52, opening up at 200 now at 1,300. I have it at 1,200 here, looking for 1,300 on up, on limiter, come on back in. That's 1,200 here, but at 1,300 there. You know what to do. That 1,300 bid is to you. That's 1,200 now at 1,300 to come on back in, going once. 1,200 here with the book, bid up 1,300 going twice. So we have it 1,200, 1,300, 1,400 back with the book, looking for 15 on for the advance. That's 1,400. It's with the book on limiter. Let it be on to you for 1,500. You bid once, bid again. Let's see the 1,500 here on in. That's 1,400 now at 1,500 on up, going once. 1,400 now at 1,500 going twice. Last chance, final call for 1,500. So for 1,400 to the book bidder, 43.97. Lot 53 is up, opening up at 420 now into 440. Here at 420, going to take 440 to beat. On limiter, come on back in for $20 more. 440 is the bid to make. We have it at 420, 440, 460, 40, 500 now. Would you bid up to 550? I have it at 500 on with the book bidder and 550, 600 now. Would it at 650? Still with the book at 600, 650, 700. Still with the book looking for 750 on with you. We have it at 750, 800 now. Would it at 850? Book holding stayed at 800, 850, 900 now. Still looking for 950 on for the advance. Let's keep it on going. On limiter, the book's holding strong, and 950 clears away. Persistence paying off once more. They have it at 950 now online. Away from the book. Anyone else for 1,000 on up? It's that last $50 argument. Could be to you. Let's see the 1,000 bid here on in. That's 950 now in live at 2,000 going once. 950 now at 2,000 going twice. Last chance, final call for the 1,000 bid. Sold for $952. The on limiter, $58.15. Following here with lot 54, opening up at $420, now to $440. Getting us started here at $420, let it be on for $440 up for the advance. On limiter, come on back in. $420, $440, $460, would you bid it to $480? That's $460 with the book bidder looking for $480. We have $460, $480, $500 now, would you bid it to $550? That's $500 with the book still holding steady. We've been here before. On limiter, come on back in for $550, you know what to do. That's $525 beat away by $550 back to the book looking for $600 on for the advance. That's $550 now into $600. Come on back in on limiter, time for a full increment bid. That's $550 now into $600 going once. $550 now into $600 going twice. Last chance, final call. It's with the book. And it's sold to the book for $550, pedal $17.37. On we go with lot 55, opening up at 40 now to $500. Getting us started here with the book at $480. Let it be on to you on the bidder. Come on back in for that $500 bid. That's $40 here, but into $500 clear with the book bidder, and we have it going once. $40 here, but into $500 going twice. Last chance, final call for that $500 bid. And it's now sold the book for $480 to the book bidder, $240,305. Following here with lot 56, opening up at 40 now but into $500. We have it at $480. Come on back out of the District of Columbia here. Stack Barrett Live. Let's see the $500 on with you. We have it at $480, $500 and $550. Now would you come on back for $6? Book still has us at $550, $600, $650. Now would you come on back for $700? We have $650. Come on back in for $700, and we have it $650, $700, $750. Now book holding strong. Perhaps you for $800 to keep it on going for an advance. That's $750, $800 now clearing away. Persistence paying off. Welcome back on the letter at $800 now. Can we get the $850 on for the advance? That's $800 now, but at $850 going once. $800 now, but at $850 going twice. Last chance, final call for that $850. Sold for $800 to the book, the on limiter, $26.41. We follow here with lot 57 opening up at $4,000 now at it to $4,200. Book is getting us started here at $4,000. Let's see $4,200 on up with you on limiter. Come on back in. That's $4,000 here. Going to take $4,200 on to clear. On limiters, that's your cue to bid. Let's see the $4,200 here on in. That's $4,000 now at it to $4,200 with book bidder going once. $4,000 now at it to $4,200, and we have it going twice. Last chance, final call for $4,200. Sold on even $4,002. The book bidder, pal $43.97. On now with lot 58, which opens up at $600 now at end to $650. Here at $600, gonna take $650 to eat. On limiter, come on back in here on this lot 58. That's $600 here with the book bid on to $650 to advance on up, going once. $600 now with it at $650 going twice. This is the last chance. Your final call for $650. Sold for $600 to the book bidder, pedal 11029. With that, we have lot 59. Opening up here with an asking price of only $600 here on in. On limiter, let's see you come on back in here once more to the District of Columbia. That's $600 here on in, the bid to make. On limiters, come on back in here for the PMG Choice and Circulate 63 EPQ proof. It's at $600, or rather looking for the $600 on up with you. That's looking for $600 here. On limiters, that's your cue, going once. Looking for $600 here, going twice. Last chance to you. Final call here on this lot. With that, we move right along to lot 60. And on lot 60, we open up at an opening bid of, bear with us just one moment while that next lot 60 loads up here. There we go. Opens up here at $600 on the book, looking for $650. We have it at $600, getting started here on lot 60, looking for $650 on up with you. On up there, come on back in for $50 more. That's $600 here with the book, getting us started, looking for $650 on to continue, going once. $600 now, but it's $650 going twice. Last chance and final call for that $650 to you. Now sold for $600 to the book bidder, $71.07. Following up here with lot 61, the unreported bank by Haxby, highest denomination, the $100 here, opening up at $1,800, looking for $1,900, Stack Barrett Live and PMG Choice and Circulate 63 proof. We have at $1,800, getting started, looking for $1,900 on up with you. Online bidders, come on back in. That's $1,900, the bid to make. Easy choice on limiter. Let's see it come on back in. That's $1,800 here, the book getting us started. Let it be on to you for $1,900 because we have it going once. That's $1,800 here with the book. Give it up to $1,900 on limiters. Come on back in because we have it going twice. Last chance to you. Final call for $1,900. No regrets. Now sold for $1,800 to the book bidder, $43.97. Lot 62 follows up, looking for $1,200 here on in to get the bidding started. Stack Barrett Live, come on back in for the $1,200 bid. Here for the BMG Choice Circulate 63 EPQ proof. We're looking for $1,200 here on in from you. On limiters, come on back. Looking for $1,200 here, going once. Looking for $1,200 here, going twice. Last chance to you. Final call on limiters, come on back in for 12. Very well. We'll move right along to lot 63. And on lot 63, we open up with an asking price of $1,200 on limiters. We've been here before, you know what to do. Let's see it come on back in here for the $20 PMG Gem and Circlade 66 CPQ proof. That's $1,200 to you, could be the starting bid to get the bidding started here. Looking for $1,200 here, going once. Looking for $1,200 here, going twice. Last chance, final call for $1,200 to you. We move right along then to this lot 64. And on lot 64, we open up here at $1,200 down and $1,300. We have it at $1,200, looking for $1,300 on up on limiters. Come on back. That's $1,200 here with the book bidder, looking for $1,300 to continue on. Let's advance it on up for $100 more. Could be in your favor for $1,300. That's $1,200 down, but at $1,300 with the book bidder going once. $1,200 down, but at $1,300 going twice. Last chance, final call for $1,300. Sold for $1,200 to the book bidder, $43.97. Following here with lot 65, opening up at $40 now, but into $500. Here at $480, getting started. The last $20 markets with the book come on back for $500 to you. That's $40 now, but into $500 going once. $40 now, but you bid on $500 going twice. Last chance and final call for $500. Sold for $480 to the book bidder, about $43.97. Lot 66 is up, opening up at $40 now, but into $500. On limiter, we've been here before. It's with the book. You know what to do. Let's see, come on back in for the full $500. That's $40 now, but into $500 with the book bidder going once. $40 now, but even under $500 going twice. Last chance, final call for that $500. Sold for $480 to the book bidder, $293.571. On we go with lot 67. Looking for only $600 here on limiters. That's the bid to make. Let's clear it on in for $600. Come on back on limiters here with this lot. That's looking for $600 here. Easy ask. You are here at $600. Anyone else for $650 on to follow? That's $600 now online. Looking for $650 on up. Anyone else? Continue on forward for $50 more. $600 now, but into $650 going once. $600 now, but into $650 going twice. Last chance. Final call for $650. And we sell it for $600 online. Pedal 58.15. Lot 68 is on, opening up at $1,200 now, but in $1,300. I have it at $1,200, led way on for $1,300 to continue on forward. On limiters, come on back in for that $1,300 bid. That's $1,200 now, but in $1,300 with the book bidder going once. $1,200 now, but in $1,300 going twice. Online bidders, last chance and final call to you for the $1,300 bid. Now sold for $1,200, opening here at $43.97 on the book. On now with lot 69, opening up here with an asking price of $1,800 on in. Stack Pride Live coming back in for the $20 PMG Choice Insert Clade 63 proof. Looking for the $1,800 on up with you. On order to come on back in for $1,800 could be you. I have it at, rather looking for $1,800 here going once. Looking for $1,800 here going twice. Last chance and final call here on this lot. We move right along on to lot 70. And on this lot 70, we open up at $600 now, but it's $650. That's $600 here with the book getting us started. They have interest, so should you. Come on back for $650 on line bidders. That's $600 here, $650 there. Something on back with the book looking for $750 on for the advance. That's $700 here with the book bidder looking for $750 on up. You had interest once, come back again. That's $700, $750, $800 now looking for $850. Third time's a charm perhaps. We have at $825 and $850 back with the book once more, looking for $900 up with you. We have at $850, $900, $950 now, looking for $1,000 on for the advance. That's $950 with the book bidder, looking for $1,000. Come on back on limiters, you know what to do. Looking for the even $1,000 here to clear. That's $950 now, but I didn't do $1,000 going once. $950 now, but I didn't do $1,000 going twice. We do $1,000, $1,100 now back with the book, looking for $1,200 on for the advance now. That's $1,100, book still holding strong. How about you? Perhaps $1,200 to continue on forward. We'll see where it lands. Come to a ways. Might we have a ways to go? That's $1,100 now, but into $1,200 with the book bidder going once. $1,100 now, but into $1,200 going twice. Last chance, final call for that $1,200. Sold for $1,100. Pedal 43.97. On now with lot 71, opening up at $40 now, but into $500. We have $480, last $20 increment, as we say before, looking $500 on up with you. We have $40, $500, and $550. Now would you come on back for $6? That's $550 back with the book bidder, and $600 still holding strong. It's prior book bid at $600, not yet yours. Would you come on back for $650? Only one more bid on limiter. Let's see it on to you. That's $600 here with the book bid on the $650 with the prior book bid going once. $600 here with the book bidder looking for $650 from you going twice. And why is he done? You're in, book is out. We have it at $650 online. Anyone else for $700 on to follow? That's $650 now, but then $700 going once. $650 now, but then $700 going twice. Last chance and final call for that $700. Sold for $650 online, about $298,096. Following here with lot 72, we open up at $1,200 now and $1,300. We open at $1,200, led way on for $1,300 on up to advance. On limiters at $1,300 the bid to make. Let's hop on in. That's $1,200 here in the book. Looking for $1,300 online, going once. $1,200 here in the book, but up to $1,300 online, going twice. Last chance, final call for $1,300. Sold for 1,200 to the book bidder, 43.97. Following here with lot 73, looking for 360 on in to get the bidding started here. $3 PMG gem and circulated 65 EPQ proof. Stack Buyers Live, come on back in for the 360. That's the bid to make to get the bidding started. Looking for 360 here, going once. Looking for 360 here, going twice. Last chance, final call. And on we go then with lot 74. Or rather, bid under the wire at 360. We'll take you on in on bidder. We have you at 360 getting started. Anyone else for 380 on to continue on for the competition? They had interest, perhaps anyone else? That's 360 here, down to 380 to clear, going once. 360 on live, but into 380 going twice. Last chance and final call. Now sold for 360 to you on limiter, pedal 5559. Following here with lot 74, we open up at an asking price of 360 to get the bidding started. Here for the $10 PMG gem and circulated 65 EPQ proof. Here on this lot, let's get 360 on in, shall we, online bidders? We've been here before, you know what to do to come on back in, just click bid. Looking for 360 on in here, going once. Looking for 360 on in here, going twice. Last chance to you, final call. Now passing this lot and moving right on to lot 75. And on lot 75, we open up again with an asking price deja vu for 360 here on in. You know what to do, we've been here before. And there you go. Welcome back at 360 on limiter. Anyone else for 380 for the competition? We have you online at 360 on limiter, looking for 380 here on up to continue on forward. That's 360 on live, but at 380. Anyone else going once? 360 now, but into 380 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 380. Sold for 362. The on limiter 5815. We follow here with lot 76, opening up here with an asking price of 300 to get the bidding started. Looking for 300 here. On bidders, come on back. Let's get the bidding started, and there it is. 300 on in, getting started, looking for 320 on up for the advance. That's 300 on line, looking for 320 on. Continue on up on bidders here on this lot. That's 300 now on line, but at 320 going once. 300 now on line, but at 320 going twice. Last chance and final call. Anyone else? 320 in for the competition, 300 out. Original unloader, you've been outbid. They came in. Would you come back for 340? Yes, you would. 340 now, looking for the 360 on. That's 340 now with the original online bidder looking for 360 up for the advance. 340 now, but it's 360 going once. 340 now, 360 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 360. Now sold for 340 to the online bidder 5815. Following up here with lot 77, looking for an asking price and a beginning price of 600 here on in. Stack Buyers Live for the $3 PMG gem and circulate 65 EPQ proof. Online bidders, let's see the 600 here on with you. That's good. Starting bid to make. That's looking for 600 now, and we have it now at 600 online, looking for 650 on up for the competition bid. We had interest once at 600, perhaps twice for 650. That's 600 now, but to 650 going once. 600 now, looking for the 650 going twice. Last chance, final call for the 650. And we sell for 600 online, about 58.15. Lot 78 follows, looking for 40 on in. Stack Buyers Live, come on back in here for the $2 PMG gem and circulate 63 PQ proof. Hey, we're looking for the 480 here on in with you. On limiters, come on back in. It's the last 20 increment to make. We've been here before. 40, a good bid to make. Looking for 40 here, going once. Looking for 40 here, going twice. This is your last chance. Your final call on limiters. Are you sure? We'll move right along to lot 79 then. And on lot 79, we open up at 40 now, but into 500. It's at 480 getting started. Let it be on for 500 on up with you. Unlimiters, come on back in. We have it at 40, 500, 550 now, looking for the 600 on for the advance. We have it at 550. Come on back for 600 on limiters on to you. That's 550 here with the book, but on to 600. Perhaps second time's the charm, but it's going once. 550 now, but into 600 with the book bidder, going twice. Last chance, final call for 600. Sold for 550 to the book bidder, pedal 43.97. Following here with lot 80, opening up at 750 now, but into 800. Wave it at 750, getting started. Let it be on for 800 to you. Onloaders, come on back in. That's 750 now, but into 800 on up to advance. Going once. 750 now, but into 800 for the book bidder, going twice. Last chance, final call for that even 800 bid. Now sold for 750 to the book bidder, pedal 11029. 81 following here, opening up at an asking price of only 300 on in. Stack Buyers Live, come on back in here with a $4 PMG choice, fine 15. Stack Buyers Live, come on back in. Let's see the 300 on in with you. That's looking for 300 here, going once. Looking for 300 here, going twice. Last chance, final call, no regrets. And on we go then with lot 82. And on this lot 82, we open up here, once again, with an asking price of 480 on in. Stack Buyers Live, you know what to do. Just click bid. Hop on in for the 480 introductory bid. Looking at that 480 here, going once. Looking 480 here, going twice. Last chance to you. Final call here on 82. We move right along to lot 83 then. And on lot 83, opening up at 900 now at 950. Here at 900, getting started, let it be on to you for 950 up for the advance. Onloaders, come on back in for $50 more. That's 900 here with the book bidder looking for 950 on up, on back. Going once. 900 now at 950 going twice. We have a 900, 925, 950. Would you follow it up by 1,000? That's 950 back with the book bidder away from your cup bid. Gonna take a full bid of 1,000 on up, but it's the last $50 increment. Perhaps a good choice to make. 950 now at 2,000 going once. 950 now at 2,000 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 1,000. Sold for 952. The book bidder 43.97. Following now lot 84, which opens up at 900 now. We bid it to 950. We have it at 900, getting it started, looking for the 950 on up for the advance. Unlimited, let's see it on back with you. That's 900 here, but it's 950 to clear. Come on back in now. We have it at 900, 925, 950. Cup didn't quite take once more. Book came back for a full increment. You coming on back at a full increment of 1,000. 1100 now still holding on the book. Let's see 1,200 to follow it on up. That's 1,100 here, the book bidder, looking 1,200 on up with you, perhaps third time's the charm. That's 1,100 here, down to 1,200 to clear, going once. 1,100 now, then 1,200 going twice. Last chance, final call for 1,200. Sold for 1,100. Paddle 253, 675. Following here with lot 85, opening up at 300 now at 320. We have 300, let it be on for 320 to come on back. Unlimiters here on the slot 85. 300 introductory price with the book bidder holding steady, and 320 away. online now at 320, leaving 340 on up, and we have 340 now, which would get to 360. That's 340 now at 360. Come on back in, unlimited. Let's see those bids. Original unlimited, would you like to bid 360 on up? Because we have it going once. Very well done at 363 to now looking forward on up for the advance. Let's keep it on going, unlimited. Let's see the even forwarded on bid with you. That's 380 now, but in the even 400 going once. And forwarded on in, the 380's on out, would you come on back for 420. That's forwarded now, looking for the 420 on up with you. Forwarded now, but at 420 going once. Looking for 420 now, going twice. Last chance, foul call for that 420. Sold for 400 even to you, unlimited 293, 571. 86 is right along, opening up at 40 now, but it to 500. We have 40 getting us started. Last 20 argument, let it be on to you for 500 on. Limiters, come on back in for that 480. Look with the 500 on up for the advance. We have it at 40 now, but it to 500 on back with you, going once. Looking for 500 now, going twice. Last chance, final call for the even 500 on limiter, come on back in. And we have the 500 on in, the 40 on out. The book has been beat. On limiter now holding steady at 500. Anyone else for 550 on for the competition bid? That's 500 now, but it to 550 going once. 500 now, but it's to 550 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 550. Now sold for 500 online bidder, pal 2641. Lot 87 is right up next, opening up with an asking price of only 300 here on in Stack Price Live. $5 PMG Choice Interclade 64 proof. On limiters, come on back in for the 300 introductory bid. That's looking for 300 here, going once. Looking for 300 here from you, going twice. And 300's on in. Welcome back on limiter anyone else for 320 for the competition bid. We had interest once, perhaps again for 320. Continue on up for only $20 more. That's 300 now, but it to 320 to advance, going once. 300 now, but it to 320 going twice. Last chance, final call for 320. Sold for 300 to the on limiter 293, 571. Following here with lot 88, opening up at 600 now, with you bid up to 650. Getting started here at 600 on limiters. Let's see 650 on the clear. We have it 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000, 2,200, clearing away. Very well done. Non-limiter cleared away from the book, and persistence paying off. Everyone else for 2,400 on for the advance. We have it at 2,200 now online, looking for 2,400 to continue on up on limiter to come on back in. That's 2,200 now online. Strong interest from the online bidder, looking for 2,400 on up for the advance. Anyone else here on this lot? That's 2,200 now, but at 2,400 going once. 2,200 now, but at 2,400 going twice. Last chance, final call for 2,400. Now sold for 2,200 to you on limiter 179.58. Following here with lot 89, the rare $8 bill, rare denomination from the District of Columbia. Looking for a $1,200 introductory bid on limiters. Let's see those bids, and towards on in, wisely done. Let's get 1,300 on up to continue on forward here on this lot. That's $1,200 introductory bid online. They see it, and so should you. Come on back for 1,300 on limiters. Let's keep the action rolling. That's 1,200 now, but at 1,300 going once. 1,200 now, but at 1,300 going twice. On limiters, this is your last chance, and 13's in. What is out? Original limiter, come on back for 14. 14 we have it at 15. 15 we have bid up at 16. That's 1,500 now, looking for 1,600. Keep it on going. On limiter, come on back in for 1,600. That's 1,500 now to 1,600 going once. 1,500 now at 1,600 going twice. Last chance, foul call, no regrets for that 1,600 on up with you. We have 16 in, 15 out. Would you come on back for 17 now? Might still have a ways to go on limiter. Let's see the 1700 on up to continue. That's 1,600 now to 1,700 going once. 1,600 now to 1,700. Come on back because it's going twice. Last chance and final call for 1,700. Now sold for 1,600 online, about 179.58. We follow here with lot 90, opening up at an asking price of 600 on in. Stack bar live, going back for the $5 PMG Gem Circulated 65 EPQ remainder. Looking for the $600 introductory price. Come on back in on loader. Let's see it on to you. That's looking for 600 here, going once. Looking for 600 here, going twice. Last chance to you. Final call online bidders, and we have you in at 600. Let's get 650 on for the competition. Other online bidders, they have it at 600. Do you have it at 650 to come on back in? That's 600 now, but it's 650 going once. 600 now, but it's 650 going twice. Last chance, final call for 650. Sold for 600 to the online bidder 298,096. We follow here with lot 91, opening up with an asking price here of 40 on in. On bidders come on back in for the $1 PMG Choice and Circulated 63 proof. That's the bid to make. On bidders come on back in. Looking for 480 here going once. Looking for 480 here going twice. Last chance and final call for that 480 bid. And on we go with lot 92. And on this lot 92, opening up here with an asking price of 1,200. Online bidders, that's the bid to make. Let's get the bids here on in for the $1,200 introductory bid. That's looking for 1,200 here, going once. Looking for 1,200 here from you. Online bidders going twice. This is your last chance, your final call. No regrets here on this lot. We pass this lot and move right along to lot 93. And on lot 93, once again, looking for $1,200 introductory bid. Let's see it on to you. On bidders to come on back in for the $3 PMG Choice and Circulate 64 EPQ proof. And we have it now to order online. Let's get it started. Keep it on going for 1,300 to advance. That's 1,200 out to 1,300. Come on back in on bidders. That's 1,300 to you. 1,200 online, but it to 1,300. Anyone else to advance it on up? Going once. That's 200 now online, but it to 1,300 going twice. Last chance, final call for 13 and 1250s in on a cup bid, followed up by 13 fully rent. Back with your draw on limiter. Let's get 1,400 on up for the advance. That's 1,300 now to 1,400 to advance it on up. Going once. 1,300 now to 1,400 going twice. Last chance, final call for 1,400. So 1,300 to the on limiter 179.58. Following here with lot 94, opening up here with an asking price of 600 on limiters. Come on back in. Let's get the bidding started here for that $600 introductory bid on lot 94. Looking for 600 here, going once. Looking for 600 here, going twice. Here's the last chance, and welcome back on limiter. We have you at 600 now, looking for 650 on up. That's at 600 now, but it's on to 650 on back with you. 600 now, but it's to 650 going once. 600 now, but it's 650 going twice. Last chance, final call with that 650. Come on back, online bidder. We'll sell it to you for 600 on limiter, pedal 179.58. Following here with lot 95, which opens up at an asking price of 600 here on in. That's the bid to make. On limiters, come on back here for the $10 PMG Choice and Circulate 63 proof. Getting it started at 600. Why is it done? Online bidder. Let's see you come on back for 650 for some competition. Other online bidders. That's 600 now. It's 650 going once. 600 now. It's 650 going twice. Last chance, and 625's in on a cup bid. Original limiter, that's your cue to come on back for 650, and wisely done. You are in, cup bid out. Would you follow along for 700 to continue on forward? That's 650 now, but in 700 going once. 650 now, but in 700 going twice. Last chance, 700 in, 650 out. Would you continue on up to 750? Yes, you would. 750 in now, but at 800. We have it at 750. Look at 800 to come on back in on limiter. Let's see the even 800 to continue on forward. And we have it 800, 850 now, but in the 900. 900 now, but it to 950. 950 now, but it to 1,000. Come on back. 975 on. Now let's see 1,000. 1,000 now would give it to 1,100. Cup bids clear. Full increment here. Let's see 11 on up to continue on forward. $100 more. Let's keep it on going on limiters. 1,100 is the bid to make. That's 1,000 now online, but it to 1,100 going once. 1,000 now, but it to 1,100 going twice. Last chance. Final call for 1,100. No regrets. Now sold for 1,000 even to the on limiter 179.58. Continuing on forward from here with lot 96. Opening up here with an asking price of 300 on in. Non-loader, let's see you come on back in here with a $3 PMG Gem Circulate 65 EPQ proof. At 300 on in, well done on limiter for now. Let's see if it lasts. Anyone else for 320 on for the competition? Only $20 more, and we have it at 320. Would you come on back for 340? New on limiter has it 320. Let's see 340 on back. And we have it now at 340. Would you bid it at 360? 360 now. Would you bid it at 380? That's 360. Living 380 on in on limiter to come on back. 360, 380, 40 now, but it to 420. That's 40 even now, but it to 420 on limiter. Come on back. Let's see the 420 on with you. That's 40 now, but it to 420 going once. 400 now, but to 420 going twice. Last chance, foul call for 420. Sold for 400. Pedal 208, 313. Following now with lot 97 here, opening up at an asking price of 1200 here on in for the extremely rare and historic district rarity, a relic from the district's early years. We have it at 1200 here, getting it started, looking for 1300 on to clear. Come on back online bidder. And we have it at 1200, 1300 now, looking for 1400 on up. We have it at 13, 14 now. Would you come on back for 15? Strong interest here. Let's see 15 on to continue on up. That's 1400, 1400 online, looking 1500 on back. New online bidder, perhaps you for 15. That's 1,040 now to 1,500 going once. 1,040 now to 1,500 going twice. We have a 14, 15, 16 now. We bid on 17. That's 16. Looking at 17 on up for the advance to you. 1650's in on the cup bid. Would you continue on for $50 more for 1,700? And 17's in. Cup bid's out. Would you come on back for 1,800 on bidder? Let's see the bids. Keep it on going for 1,800. That's 1,700 now to 1,800 going once. 1,700 now to 1,800 going twice. Last chance, final call for 1,800, and it's sold for 1,700, pedal 179.58. Following here at Idaho with lot 98, opening up at 700 now, but it's 750. Getting started here at 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 1,000. 1,000, 1,100, let's see 1,200 on up to follow. We have 1,100, come on back for 1,200 online bidders, and there we go, 1,200 on in, original out. Let's see 13 to follow, and we have it at 13, now would you bid up to 14, 14, 15, would you bid at 16, 16, 17, would you bid at 18, 18, 19, bid at 2,000. We have it at 2,000, 2,200 now looking for 24. That's 2,200 now looking for 2,400 to come on back in. Let's see the 2,400 on with you. That's 2,200 now, but 2,400 to advance it on up, and we have 2,400 in, 2,200 out. Let's see the 26 on for the advance. 2,400, let's keep it on going. 2,600, we come this far, might we still have a ways to go. That's 2,400 now with 2,600 going once. 2,400 now with 2,600 going twice. Last chance to you, final call for 2,600. Now sold for 2,400. Pedal 287, 367. Following now with lot 99, opening up at 800 now, but at 850. We have at 800 here, let it be on for 850 to clear to come on back. We have at 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800. Look, can we get the 19? We have at 19, 2,000, 2,200, 2,400 now, but at 26. We have 24, 26, 28 now, looking for 3,000 on up. That's 2,800, holding steady here, back with the book. Not yet yours on the bidder, going to take 3,000 to beat. Let's see it up for the advance. Book bidders holding strong, they see it, and so should you. Come on back for the even 3,000. That's 2,800 now, but up to 3,000. Advance it on up on loader to come on back. 2,800 here with the book, but up to 3,000 going once. 2,800 now, but up to 3,000, still holding strong in the book. Now's your chance, but it's going twice. Here's your last chance, your final call for 3,000. Now sold for 2,800 to the book bidder, 43.97. Following here at Illinois with lot 100, opening up at 40 now, but to 500. Get the bidding started on the bidder at 40, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500. Back with the book, looking for 16 on for the advance. Wave to 15. Would you come on back for 16 on? Bidder book holding steady. Let's see the 1,600 on with you. That's 1,500 back with the book, looking for 1,600. You come this far, might we still have a ways to go. 16 on back with you. That's the bid to make. 1,500 added to 1,600 going once. 1,500 now added to 1,600 going twice. Last chance, foul call with that 1,600. Now sold for 1,500 to the book bidder, pedal 43.97. On we go here with lot 101, opening up here with an asking price of 600. On bidder, let's see a roll on in here for the $1 PMG choice and circulate 64 proof. And there you go, 600 on in online, now followed up by 650 perhaps. We have it at 600 online. They have interest. Online bidders, let's see you roll on in for 650 or only $50 more. That's 600 now, but it's 650 going once. 600 now, but you followed up by 650 going twice. Last chance, final call with that 650. This lot is sold for 600 to you on the bidder, 179.58. Following here with lot 102, opening up at 750 now, looking for the 800 on for the advance. That's 750 getting started. We have 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 1,100, 200, 1,300, 1,400, 1,500, 1,600, 1,700, 1,800, 1,900, 2,000, and 2,200 clearing it away. 2,200 now online. Let's get 2,400 on up. On the bidder to come on back. Anyone else? For some competition for that 2,400. We have it at 2,200 now online. Rabbit session bid, cleared away from the book. They want it, so should you. Come on back for 2,400 online bidders. That's 2,200 now, but at 2,400 on up for the advance. Going once. 2,200 now, but at 2,400 going twice. Last chance, final call for 2,400. Anyone else? Now sold for 2,200. Congratulations on the bidder, 179.58. Following here with lot 103, opening up at 750, now at an 800. We have it at 750, looking for the 800 on up, on limiter, come on back. You've been here before, you know what to do. We have it 750, 800, 850 now, looking for the 900 on up for the advance. It's 850 now online, away from the book. Anyone else for 900 on for some competition? That's 850 online, but it's 900. Continue on up on limiter at 900 now, we have it at 950. We have it at 950 now, but at 2,000. We have it at 950, the new unlimited, original unlimited. Would you come on back? And there we go, 1,000 now, but at 1,100. We have it at 1,000, 1,100 now, which followed up by 12. That's 1,100 now, but it's 1,200. Keep it on going, unlimited. Come on back in. That's 1,100 now, but it's 1,200 unlimited. Let's see you come on back in. 1,100 now, but it's 1,200 on up with you, going once. 1,100 now, but it's 1,200 going twice. Last chance, final call for 1,200. Sold for 1,100 to the unlimited, 179.58. Following here with lot 104, opening up at 600 now, but it's 650. I've at 600, looking at 650 on up. Unlimited, let's see, come on back in for $50 more. Let's get the bidding started. That's 600 now, but it's 650 going once. 600 now, but it's 650 going twice. Last chance, final call with that 650. No regrets, unlimiters here in this lot. And there we go, another wired 625 with a cut bid. Let's keep it on going up to 650. You are in, book is out at 625, and else for 650, only $25 more to participate on in. That's 625, it's 650 now going once. 625, it's 650 going twice. Last chance, final call with that 650. Sold for 625 to you, unlimited and well-used cut bid, pedal 1,300. On we go with lot 105, opening up with an asking price of 600, and we have it at the gate looking for 650 on up. You have it at 600 now online, and else for 650 on with the competition bid here for the $2 PMG Gem Circulated 65 EPQ proof. Up at 650, out at 700, now looking for 750 on up. Back with the draw unlimited at 700, new unlimited would like to bid at 750. That's 700, 750, that would develop by 8. 800 now would develop up by 850. We have at 800 coming on back in, 850 following up, looking for 900 now. That's 850, 900, now we did it up to 950. We have it at 900, led way on to 950 to come on back on. Let's see the 950 here on in. That's 900 now, it's 950 to advance on up, going once. 900 now, looking for the 950 on in, going twice. Last chance, final call, unlimiters, come on back in for 950. Now sold for 900 to you, unlimited 179.58. Following here with lot 106, opening up here with an asking price of 1,200 on in. Easy choice to make, and you now have it at 1,200. Anyone else for 13 for the competition bid. Opening up at 1,200 now online. Anyone else for 1,300 to advance on up. That's 1,200 now online, but it's 1,300. Anyone else? Because it's going once. That's 1,200 now, but 1,300 going twice. Last chance, final call for the 1,300. Sold online for 1,200. Congratulations, online bidder, pedal 179.58. Following here with lot 107, opening up at 360 now, but at 380. We have it at 360, getting started online. Anyone else for 380 on up for the advance? There's only $20 more to participate and hop on in. That's 360 now, but at 380 online, 380 on in, 360 on out, which fell up by 400 now, but up to 420. We have it at 400, leaving the 420 to advance on up. On limiter, would you like to come on back in? That's 400 now, but at 420 on limiter. Let's see it on with you, because it's going once. 400 now, but 420 going twice. Last chance, final call with the 420. Sold for 400 to the unlimited 179.58. We follow here with lot 108 from the Caine collection, our cover lot, exceptional grade, don't call it color proof, opening up at 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, which followed up by 13. We have it at 1,200 now online, clearing from the book, leaving 13 on up for the advance. Book is out, you are in at 1,200, anyone else for 13 on here. Coming on back at 13, clearing it away, looking 14 on up, 14 now, you bid up to 15. We have it at 1,400, back with the draw unlimited, looking 15 on up. New unlimited, you bid once, bid again, come on back in for 15. Might still have some competition here on this lot. And we have it at 1,400, 1,500, 1,600 now, would you come on back for 17? That's 1,600 now, back with the draw once more. New unlimited coming on back at 17, we did it up to 18, 18 now, we did it to 19. We have it at 1,800, leave it at 1,900 on, unlimited come on back in, we have it at 19 now, we did it to 2,000. Last $100 increment, we have it at 1,900, coming on back at 2,000 now, looking for 22. That's 2,000 now, looking for 2,200 on up for the advance, unlimited come on back in. We have it at 2,000 now, but at 2,200 on up with you, going once. 2,000 now, but at 2,200 with you, going twice. Last chance, final call for 2,200. Now sold for 2,000 even. Congratulations, unlimited 179.58. Following here with lot 109, we're opening up at 440, 460, 48, 500, 550, and we did at 6, 575, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200 now cleared away. Very well done, unlimited clearing it away from the book. Let's get 13 to follow it on up now, shall we? That's 200 now online, looking for 1,300. Book is clear, you're here. 200, 1,300, 1,400, we did it up to 15. I have it at 14, looking for the 15 to come on back in unlimited. It's 14 with the original unlimited. New unlimited, would you like to pay that up at 15? That's 1,400 now, but at 1,500 up for the advance. 1,400 now, but at 1,500 going once. 1,400 now, but at 1,500 going twice. 15's in, 14's out, which followed up by 16. Original unlimited, you've been outbid. They came back at 15. Would you come back at 16? That's 1,500 now to 1,600 going once. 1,500 now to 1,600 going twice. Last chance, final call with the 1,600. Sold at 1,500 to you on the bidder, paddle 308, 818. Lot 110 following along now, opening up at 900 now to 950. We have it at 900, let it be on to you for 950, advance it up on the bidder to come on back in. That's 900 now to 950, you know what to do. At 900, 950,000, 1100 now cleared away, up by 1200 now bid at 13, 13 would you bid at 14, 14 bid at 15. We have it at 14, looking at the 15 on, unlimited to come on back in, 15 now bid at 16. We have it at 1500, looking at the 16 on, unlimited to come on back in here on the slot. That's 1,500 is the bid, looking for 1,600 on up. New unlimited coming on back at 16, would you bid at 17, 17 now bid at 18, 18 now bid at 19. We have it 1800, looking for the 19 on, unlimited to come on back in for 1,900. That's 1,800 here, but it's 1,900 clear. Come on back, unlimited, let's see the 19 with you. 19 now bid at 2,000. We have it 1,900, looking for the even 2,000 to come on back in. Last an argument, easy choice to make unlimited. Let's roll on in for the 2,000 bid. That's 1,900 now bid to 1,000, rather 1,900 now bid to 2,000 going once. 1,900 now bid to 2,000 going twice. Last chance, final call for the even 2,000. Sold for 1,900 to the bidder 179.58. We follow here with lot 111, 111, opening up at 600 now bid at 650. We have it at 600, let it be on to you for 650. Come on back, online bidders here on the slot. And we have it at 600, 650, 700, now killing it up. Still with the book holding strong though, and we have it at 750, 800, 850, 900, 1100, 1200, 1300, 1400, 1500, 1600, 1700, 1800 now, still holding strong. The book looking for 19 on. We have it 18 here with the book looking for 19 to come on back in. Online bidders, books holding steady. How about you? Perhaps another bid in for 19. We have it 1,800 here on the book holding strong. Looking for 19 on back with you. Online bidder, you come this far, but we still have a ways to go. That's 1,800 here in the book. Looking for the 1,900 on up going once. 1,800 here in the book, bid up to 1,900 going twice. Last chance, final call for the 1,900. Now sold for 1,800 to the book bidder, 43.97. On we go here to Kansas with lot 112, opening up at 40 now at 500. Opening up at 40 online. Let's see 500 up for the advance. Online bidder has us at 480. Last $20 to hop on in for the 500 on in. On bidder, let's get the competition on. What's $20 to hop on in for the even 500 bid? That's 40 now bid to 500 going once. 40 now bid to 500 going twice. Last chance, final call, no regrets. Sold for 480 to you. Online bidder, pedal 179.58. Following here with lot 113. Opening up at 420 now bid to 440. We have it at 420. Let it be on for 440 to advance on up. We have it at 420, 440, 460 now bid to 480. We have it at 460. Would you come on back for 480 on? Let it come on back. Only $20 more. Still holding strong in the book, and now it's not 40 on with you. Cleared it up. Anyone else for 500 on for the advance? We've been here before at 40. Would you bid it at 500 on? Unlimited, come on back in for $20 more. That's 40 now bid into 500 going once. 40 online bid to 500 going twice. Last chance, final call for the even 500. Sold to you online bidder for 480 to battle 179.58. Following here with lot 114, opening up at 40 now bid to 420. We have it at 400. Would you come on back for 420 online bidders? You've been here before, you know what to do. At 400, 420, 440, 460, 40, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, clearing it away. Looking for 750 on up for the advance. We have it at 700, holding steady now online, away from the book, looking for 750 on up. Anyone else for the competition bid? They had strong interest, perhaps so should you. Let's see the 750 on up, continue on forward. That's 700 now online, but it's 750 going once. 700 now at 750 going twice. Last chance, final call for that 750 bid. Now sold for 700 online, pedal 179.58. Continuing here with lot 115, extremely rare survivor, bank burned by Confederate raiders in 1863. Opening up at 800, 850, now bid to 900. We have it at 900 now, bid to 950, continue up. Strong interest here at 900 now, continue up to 1,000. 975 in a cup bid, can we clear it away by 1,000? Only $25 more, and in the 100 arguments we go. That's 975, 1,000 on up, looking for 1100 on to continue up. That's 1,000 here, bid to 1100 there. Online bidder, would you come on back in? 1,000 here, looking for the 1100 on to clear. And we have 1100 now, would you come on back for 12? 1200 now, would you bid at 13? We have it at 1,200, bid up to 1,300 to advance on up. On bidders holding strong here at 1,200 could be yours. 1,300. Let's keep it on going, shall we? That's 1,200 now, bid at 1,300 going once. 1,200 now, bid to 1,300 going twice. 1,250 another cup bid cleared away by a full limit at 13. Going to take a full limit of 14 to take it on away. That's 1,300 now, bid to 1,400 to come on back in. 1,300 now, bid to 1,400 going once. 1,300 now to 1,400 going twice. Last chance, final call, no regrets. Here for 1,400. In under the wire at 14, keep it open for you. We have a 14, 15, let's keep it on going to 16. Still some ways to go here. Let's see it on for 16 to continue on up. We added under the wire, come on back for a full increment bid of 1,600 online bidders. That's 1,500 now to 1,600 going once, 1,500 now to 1,600 going twice. Last chance, final call with the 1,600. Sold for 1,500 to you, online bidder. Congratulations, 179.58 once more. On now with lot 116, opening up with an asking price of 420. We have it at 440. We have it at 420. Living the 440 on back on limiters. Let's see it on to you for only $20 more. That's 420 now, but into 440 going once. 420 now, but into 440 going twice. Last chance, final call for the 440. Sold for 420 to you, on bidder 179.58. Lot 117, 117 following up, opening up at 340 now into 360. We have it at 340, 360, 3 down, but you bid it up to 400. I have it at 380, 400, 420, I bid it to 440. We have it at 420, still holding strong. Book as well at 460, 40, 500 now, but it's 550. 550, 600 now, but it's 650, 650, 700 now, but it's 750, 800, 850, 900, bid up to 1,000. We have it at 900. You're away from the book. On limiter holding steady. Anyone else for 950 on to continue on forward. That's 900, 925. Cup bid clearing up. Looking for 950 up and 950 now bid to 1,000. We have 950. Looking for 1,000. Continue on limiter. Last $50 increment. That's 950 now bid to 1,000 to come on back in. 950 now bid to 1,000 going once. 950 now bid to 1,000 going twice. Last chance. Final call for the even 1,000. And it's sold for 950 to the online bidder 179.58. Following here with lot 118, opening up at 420 now bid to 440. We have it at 420, looking for 440 stacked by live. 420, 440, 460, 40, 500, 550, 600, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 1,100, 1,200, 1,300. Clearing it away. Very well done. Rapid session bid on limiter, clearing it up. You have it at 1,300 now, bid it up to 1,400 to come on back. Only $100 more. Anyone else? They had strong interest as before, and so should you. Like to get the competition on at 1,350. Now we do it at 14. 14. Now we do it at 15. That's 1,400 now, leaving the 15 on for the advance. Cup bids clear. Full increments here at 1,040. Going to take 1,500 on to beat. That's 1,040 now to 1,500 going once. 1,400 now to 1,500 going twice. Last chance. Final call with the 1,500. Sold for 1,400 online by the 179.58. Following here with lot 119, open up here with an asking price of 600 on limiters. You've been here before, you know what to do, and you are in at 600. Let's get 650 on for the advance. Here for the $3 PMG about and circulated 653 EPQ remainder. We have it at 600, 650, 700, 750, bid it up to 8. We have it at 750 now, 800 following up by 8. Let's see the 850, and we have it now bid it up to 900. 900 now, let's see the 950. 950 now, bid it to 1,000. We have 950, leaving 1,000 on up for the advance on limiter. Would you like to come on back in? That's 950 here, but undo 1,000 to clear. 1,000 now, bid it to 1,100. In that arguments we go, 1,000, 1,100 now, bid it to 12. We have 1,100. Would you come on back for 1,200 online bidder? That's 1,100 now, bid it to 1,200. Would you like to come on back in? 1,200 now out. It's followed up by 13. 13 now, we do it to 14. 14 now, we do it to 15. That's 1,400. Looking at the 15 on. 15 now, but it's 16. That's 1,500. Let's keep it on going. 16 on. Let it come on back in. It's 16 now, but it's 17. 16, 17, but it's up to 18. 18 now, but it's 19. I have it 18, 19, but it's 2,000. Last $100 increment. Let's see it on for an even 2,000. Shall we, on limiters? Come on back in for the 2,000 bid. That's 1,900 now, but it's 2,000 going once. 1,900 now, but it's 2,000 going twice. This is your last chance, your final call for the even 2,000. And 2,000's in under the wire, which followed up by 2,200. There you go, 2,200 in, 2,000 out, perhaps 2,400 on. Now that we're in the $200 increments, that's 2,200 now, but 2,400 going once. 2,200 now, but 2,400 going twice. Last chance, final call for the 2,400, no regrets. Now sold for 2,200 to the on-limiter 179.58. Following here with lot 120 out of Minnesota we go. We're no longer in Kansas. Opening up at 3,000, 3,200, 3,400 is the bid to make. And we have 3,400 now, looking 36 on. That's 3,400, 3,500, 3,600. Can we get the 3,800 on? That's 3,600, 3,800, and 4,000 cleared away, looking 4,200 on up. We have it at 4,000. Keep it on going to 4,200 on limiter. Come on back in. We have 4,000 with you, 4,200 with them. 4,400 on up, 4,600 now, bid it to 5. We have 44, bid it up to 46 on limiter. Come on back in. We have 4,600 now, bid it to 48. 46, looking for the 48 on, 4,800 now, what do you bid up to 5,000? That's 4,800, 5,000 on, and looking for the 5,500 on up, 5,500 and clearing it away. Very well done. Let's see 6,000 continue on forward. That's 5,500 now, but it's 6,000. Come on back in online bidder. We have it at 6,000, looking at 6,500 to continue on up. $500 more to hop on in on the bidder at 6,500 now. We bid it at 7. That's 6,500. Going to take 7,000 to beat on the bidder. Come on back in. 7,000 now, but it's 7,500. That's the bid to make. 7,500 now. Would you bid it all along to 8,000? 7,500. Look at the even 8,000. Non-limiters, come on back in. 8,000. Now we do it at 8,500. It's at 8,000. Look at the 8,500 on with you, and we have it now at 8,500. We it up to 9,000. That's 8,500. 9,000 now. Look at the 9,500 on back with you. 9,500 is in. Clear it away. Let's see an even 10,000 now. Last $500 increment here at 9,500. Again, take the 10,000, but we'll take the cup at $97.50. $250 more. Let's see it on limiter. Come on back for an even 10,000. 9,750 here, but to 10,000 there. Going once. 9,750 here, but at 10,000 there. Going twice. Last chance. Final call with the 10,000. Now sold in a very well used cup bid for 9,750. Congratulations on limiter 1751. Following here with lot 121, opening up at 1,800, 1,900, 2,000, 2,200, 2,400, now at 26. We have it at 2,400, 2,600, come on back for 28, and we have 28, 3,000, now at 32. 32, 34, come on back for 36. 36, 38, now up to 4,000. We have it at 3,800 and 4,000, cleared away, persistence paying off. Book is clear, you're here at 4,000, anyone else from 4,200 on up. We have it at 4,200, look at the 4,400 on limited, come on back in. That's 4,200 now online, 4,400 on up, now you bid it up to 4,600. That's 4,400 here, but it's to 4,600 to clear, on limiters, come on back for the advance. 44, 46, we'll do it at 48. That's 4,600 here, let's see the 4,800 there, advance on up, on limiter to come on back. 4,600 is the bid, looking at the 4,800 on up with you, it's going once. 4,600 now, but it's to 4,800 going twice. Last chance, final call for the 4,800. Sold for 4,600, pal 1751. Next up here, a great rarity from Minnesota, lot 122, opening up with only an asking price of 18, and we have it at the gate now looking for 19 up for the advance. That's 1,800 with you on limiter, holding steady for here. Let's get 19, 19 now cleared away. Can we get 2,000 on up? With 19, 2,000, we'll get it at 22. We're looking for the 2,200 on in. We have it at 2,000, live with the 22. That's 2,022, looking at the 24. 24, come on back for 26. That's 24 to now, come on back for the 2,600 on limiters. Let's keep it on going to you. That's 24, 26, we did 28. 28 now, looking at the even 3,000, advanced up on limiter. It's at 2,800 now, could be yours for an even 3,000. And we have it at 3,000 now, looking at the 32 on up. 3,200 now, but at 3,400, come on back on limiters. 3,200 now, but at 34. 3,200 here, holding steady. On limiter, like, come on back for 3,040 there. Yes, you would. 34 now, but at 36. That's 3,040 now, but at 3,600 on limiter. Come on back in. 3,400 here, but at 3,600 there, going once. 3,400 here, but at 3,600 there, going twice. Last chance, final call for 3,600. And we sell it for 3,400 to the on limiter 1751. Following here with lot 123, opening with 950 now, but at 2,000. We have a 950, looking at the 1,000 on in, book holding steady here. Let's see the even 1,000 with 1,000 on in, prior book bid 1,100 on up, now looking for 12. That's 1,100, would you come on back for 1,200 on limiter? Let's see it on with you. That's 1,100, 1,200 now, looking at 13. 1,200, 13, would you bid up to 14. 13 now, looking at 14, continue on up. It's battle of the two on limiters once more. Let's see 1,040 to continue on up, shall we? With the original on limiter at 1,300, let's see the 1,400 on for the advance. That's 1,300 now, but to 1,400 going once. 1,300 now, but to 1,400 going twice. Last chance, final call for the 1,400. And we sell it to you on limiter for 1,300, pal 179.58. Following here with lot 124, opening up here with an asking price of 1,800. Easy choice to make here for the 1858 $2 PCGS currency gem, new 65 PPQ proof. Opening up at 1,800 now online, very wisely done. Can we get the 1,900 on for some competition once more? That's 1,800, 1,900 now, looking for the 2,000 on up, 2,000 now, bid up 2,200. I would 2,000, looking at the 2,200 on in. We have it now, but at 24. 24 now, we did at 26. That's 2,040 now, but at 26. 2,600 now, but at 28. 28 now, we did at 3,000. I had 2,800, come on back with the even 3,000 online bidders. That's 3,000 even on in, bid 3,200 to come on back. 3,000, 3,200 now, but it's 34. 3,200 holding steady here, but 3,400 to come on back. That's 3,200 now, 3,400, 3,600. 3,400, 3,600 now, to come on back for 3,800. That's 3,600 now to 3,800. Looking at you on the bidder, come on back in for 3,800, and we have it at 3,800 now. We bid it to 4,000. That's 3,800 now, bid it to 4,000 to come on back in. 3,800 now, bid it to 4,000 on up going once. 3,800 now, bid it to 4,000 going twice. Are we all now done? Last chance, final call. Now sold for 3,800 to the bidder 1751. We follow here with lot 125. Edward VII, future King of England, opening up here. It's 550, 600, 650, 700, now but at 750. Come on back. 750, 800, now but at 850. It's at 800, holding strong on the book at 850. 900 now, cleared away, very well done, and persistence paying off. On the bidder at 900 now, anyone else for 950. That's 900 now online, but at 950. They had strong interest, and so should you. Come on back here on this lot. That's 900 now online, but at 950. Anyone else to come on back in, because it's going once. That's 900 now, but at 950 going twice. Last chance, final call for the 950. Anyone else? Now sold for 900. Congratulations, online bidder 179.58. We follow here with lot 126, opening up at 800 now, but at 850. Getting started at 800 with the book. Let it be on to you for 850 to come on back. On limiter, let's see those bids here on in for $50 more. Get the bidding started. At 850, prior book bid 900 clearing away. Let's see 950 on up for some competition. That's 900 now in line, but at 950. Anyone else to pop on in here on this lot? That's 900 now at 950 to come on back in with the online bidder going once. 900 now at 950 to come on back in going twice. Last chance, final call with a 950 here on this lot. Sold for 900 online, but 179.58. We follow here with lot 127, opening up at an asking price here of $2,040 here on in. On-loaders for the $1.1859. PCGS currency gem, new 65 PPQ proof. And we have it down 2,400 starting bid. Online getting it started. Let's see 2,600 on up for the advance. That's 2,040 online. Let's see 2,600 to come on back in. And we have interest at 2,600 now. Would you come on back for 28? That's 2,600 here, 2,800 there. Would you follow up by 3,000? Back with the draw on limiter 2,800. Let it be on for an even 3,000 to continue on up. On limiter, come on back. That's 2,800, 3,000, 3,200 now. Would you come on back for 34? 3,200, limit 3,040. Let's continue on up. On limiter, come on back for 3,400. 3,200, 3,400 now, but come on back for 36, 3,600 now, looking 3,800. That's 3,600 here, but it's 3,800 there on limiter. Let's keep it on for the advance. 3,600 now, to 3,800 going once. 3,600 now, to 3,800 going twice. 37 on a cut bid cleared away by a full increment bid of 3,800. Keep it on up to an even 4,000 bid. That's 3,800 now, but to 4,000, 4,000 now, but to 4,200. I have it at 4,000, limit the 4,200 to come on back. 4,000 now, but it to 4,200 to you, going once. 4,000 now, but it to 4,200 with you, going twice. Last chance, final call for 4,200. And we sell it for an even 4,000. Congratulations on the bidder, 1751. We follow here with lot 128, opening up here with an asking price of 1,500. Let's get the bidding started. A proof from an unopened bank. Opening up at 1,500 now, but it's 16. 16 now, but it's 17. 17 now, but it's 18. That's 1,700 now, but it's 18. And to come on back on, let's see the 1,800 here on in. We have at 18, 19 now, but it's 2,000. We have at 19, 2,000 now, but it's 22. That's 2,000 now, looking at 22. 22 now, but it's 24. 24 now, but it's 26. 2,040, looking at 2,600 on up on limiter, come on back in. 2,600, 2,800 now, but it's 3,000. That's 2,800, looking at the even 3,000 on in. On limiter, come on back to you. That's 2,800 now, but it's 3,000, 3,000 now, but it's 3,200. That's 3,000 holding steady here. Can we get the even 3,200 there? Come on back on limiter for $200 more to you. That's 3,000 now, but it's 3,200 going once. And 32 in, 3,000 now, but followed by 34. That's 3,200 now, but it's 3,400 here going once. 3,200 now, but 3,400 on the phone going twice. Last chance, 34 in, phone is out, followed by 36. That's 3,040 now, but 3,600 holding steady online. 3,040 to 3,600 now, come on back for 38. We have it at 3,600 here on the phone, looking for 3,800 online, but come on back. 3,600 on the phone, but 3,800 online, going once. We have 38 now, but come on back for 4,000. Looking at 4,000 to come on back in. Phone better, now's your chance. Cop back in. We have it at 4,000 now, but at 4,200. I have it at 4,000 on the phone, looking 4,200 advance on up. On limiters, now's your chance. 4,200. That's 4,000 on the phone, but at 4,200, 4,100 on a Hail Mary cup bid holding in online. Would you come on back 4,200 and 4,200 clears away the cup bid. With the phone holding steady, strong interest here. Would you come on back for 4,400? Time for the full increment bid on limiter. Come on back in. That's 4,200 on the phone, 4,400 on up. Now looking 4,600 for a full increment bid. 4,400 full increment, would you bid it up to 46? And we have it at 46 now. Would you come on back for 48? That's 4,600 back of the phone, looking 4,800 to continue on up on limiter. Let's see the interest, 4,800 online. 4,600 here, but it's 4,800 there. Now's your chance, but it's going once. 4,600 now, but it's 4,800 going twice. Last chance, final call. It's on the phone, and it's sold to the phone for 4,600. Congratulations, bidder 179.38 on the phone for your bids. And with that, ladies and gentlemen, it's been my pleasure to be your auctioneer. I'll go on stage next to continue on from here.
One of the biggest issues with online marketplaces is worrying about scams. Are you going to get the exact item? Is it priced fairly? Is it a safe transaction? Especially when it comes to numismatics, quality, safety, and certification can mean everything. Many of us at Stax Bowers Galleries also use these marketplace platforms, so we understand the hesitation, which is also why we would like to present to you Stax Marketplace, a new service that provides you an end-to-end solution for directly purchasing numismatic items. Every marketplace listing is reviewed by our experts to ensure fair and accurate pricing. Your purchase will even be delivered to you in discreet packaging. Our goal? To provide you comfort knowing you will receive the exact item purchased. New listings are added daily, and they're all certified by a grading service. U.S. coins, world coins, ancients, U.S. and world paper money, we have something for everybody. Whether you're a collector, a dealer, or just looking for a new investment, Stax Marketplace is for you. Scan the QR code on the screen or visit us at stax.com to explore our listings. Stax Marketplace, a trusted marketplace for collectors.
Thank you so much, Sam. Ladies and gentlemen, we are back here. My name is Nicholas Meyer. I'm going to take you to the end of the auction here. We're back with lot number 129. No current bids on this, ladies and gentlemen. I need a bid of $1,500. I am looking for 15 15s in on the web. I need to see 16 for the next advance. Here for 15, bid 16. Any interest here, ladies and gentlemen? This is a low serial numbered Mankato rarity. We have it at 16. 17 now with the web. Could I get 18? Here for 17, I need to see 18. 18's in now, looking for 19. 18, 19, come back for 2,000. It's the last $100 bidding increment. Do you want it for 2? It's at 19. There we are for 2. 22 is next, and it's here. How about 24? I have it at 22 right now with the web. I need 24 for the next advance. 22, 24, 26. How about 28? We're in for 28 now, looking for 3,000. 3,000 here. How about 32? 3,000 here with the book. 32 now. Could I get 34? We're at 32. The bidding is slowed, ladies and gentlemen. Are we all in, all done? I'm looking for 34. It's at 3,200 with the web. It's going once. 3,200 here with the web bidder is going twice. Bidders, are we all in, all done? I'm about to sell it for 32. This is your last call. Sold for 32. Paddle number 1751. Congratulations to the winning paddle. And we move to lot number 130 with a current bid of 1,800. This is a visually impressive and likely unique Minneapolis proof. We have it. Bids rolling in, ladies and gentlemen. Currently at 32 now, 34, 36, 38, 4,000. Still with the book, though. You don't have it yet. Come back for 42. Online bidder, if you want it, I need to see 42. Right now, it's still with the book at 4. There we go. 42 is in. The book is out. Web bid, you have this at 42. I'm looking for 44 now for the next advance. Here for 42, bid 44. We have it at 44 here on the phone. Now looking for 46. 44 right now, ladies and gentlemen. I need 46 next. Any underbidder want to come back? We have it at 44 against you. 46 back with the web. Now looking for 48. Here for 46, it's with the web bidder. We're looking for 48 to follow. At 46, bid 48. Ladies and gentlemen, is there any further interest with 4,800? I have it here for 46. It's with the web bidder. At 46, looking for 48. Is there any interest at 48? We have it at $4,600 here with the web. It is going once. 4,600 here with the web bidder. It is going twice. Bidders, are we all in, all done? If so, it is sold for 46. Paddle 1751. Moving now to lot number 131. We have bids rolling in, ladies and gentlemen. Right now, it's at 28. It's still with the book, though. You need to come back for 3. 28, 29, 3,000. Still with that absentee bidder. Come back for 32. We're at 3 right now. It's with that book bidder. Online bidder, do you want to come back? It's at 3. I need 32. We have it at 32 here with the phone. It's 34 back with the book. Would you like to return for 36? Absentee bidder still holds it here. I need 36. We have it at 36. 38 back with the book, though. I need 4 next. We're at 38 still. Seeing if the phone, we have it at the phone for 4, but the book is back with 42. I need 44 for the next advance. In for 42. We have it at 44. The book is out, ladies and gentlemen. The phone bidder holds it at $4,400. I need 46 next. Ladies and gentlemen, the current bid is 44. Is there any further interest? We have it at 44 going once. 4,400 with the phone is going twice. Ladies and gentlemen, fair and final warning before this lot is sold. And we'll sell that one for 44. Paddle number 17938. Moving now to lot number 132 with a current bid of 500 here, ladies and gentlemen. I need 550 for the advance. At 5, bid 550 from Minneapolis. We have it here for 500. Now 550 with the web. The book is out. 600 now. Got to get 650. 600, 650 now. Got to get 7. Current bid is 650. We need 7. Underbidders, how do we feel? We're in for 7 now. 750 now. 800. There we go. How about 850? I'm in for 8 right now. How do we feel, underbidders? Do we want to let it go for 8? We don't. 850 is back. How about 9? I'm in at 850 right now. Now 900. Got to get 950. I'm in for 9. I need 950. How do we feel? There we are. It's the last $50 bidding increment, ladies and gentlemen, and there it is. 1,000's here, now looking for 11. We've moved on to 100s now, ladies and gentlemen. We're at 1,000. I need 11. How do we feel? Here for 1,000, it's with the web, and it is going not once because 11 is in. How about 12? Here for 11 now, looking for 12 for the next advance. Under bidder, how do we feel? We've come this far. There we go. 1,200's back. How about 13? I'm in for 12 right now. We need 13 next. Will you come back for 13? We'll take that cut bid. 1,250 is in. Still looking for 1,300, but we have it. 1,300 is here. Under bidder. The cut bid didn't hold it. Will you come back for 14? I have it at 13 against you. We need to see 14 next. Are we in or are we out? I have it at 1,300 with the web. It is going once. There's our 14. How about 15? In for 14 now. Bid 15. We're back in with that 14. There's our 1,500. Could I get 16? Bidders, we're doing some steady bidding here. I have it at 15. I need 16 for the next advance. How do we feel under bidder? We're at 15. And 1,500 is going once. 1,500 on the web is going twice. Under bidder, this is your last call. We're about to sell it for 1,500. And bidders, it is sold for 15. Paddle 17958. Congratulations to the winning paddle. We move now to lot number 133, an extremely rare bank, unique denomination. We're looking for an opening bid of 1,800, and we have it. Thank you, web bidder. The opening bid is in. Now looking for 19. Here for 18, bid 19, ladies and gentlemen. I have it at 1,800. It's here with the web. There's our 19 now, looking for 2,000. Last $100 bidding increment. Do you want to come back for 2? Before it hits 200, you can come on back for that 2,000. There we are, 2,000's in now, looking for 2,200. I have it at 2 right now. Could I get 22? Under bidder, how do we feel? Under bidder's back in for 22 now, 24 back from the initial bidder. Let's see it for 26 next. I have it at 24 right now. We need 26. We have it at 24. 26, come back for 28 now. In for 26, bid 28. We have it at 28 now. Could I get 3,000? Here for 28 now, looking for 3. Under bidder. How do we feel about 3? We're at 28. There's our 3,000. Now looking for 32. 3,000, 32. Could I get 34? I have it at 32 right now. Under bidder. We need to see that 34 next. Here for 32. Now 34. What about 36? I'm at 34 right now with the web. We need 36 to follow, ladies and gentlemen. A proof here. We have it at 3,400 with the web. It is going once. $3,400 is going twice. Initial bidder. This is your last call. Come back for that 36. We're about to sell it. All right, if there's no further bids, it is sold for $3,400, paddle 1751. Now we move to lot number 134. We're looking for an opening bid here of 1,800. This is a colorful proof from Northfield. We have it at 18. Thank you very much, web bidder. I need 19 now for the next advance. 18, 19, looking for 2. I have it at 19 right now with the web. We need 2,000 for the next advance. Here it is for 2. Now 22. Could I get 24, 22, 24? What about 26? We're stalling here. There we go. 26 is in. Now 28. Now 3,000. How about 32? In for 3 now. Now 32. Could I get 34? Bidders, let's see 34 for the next advance. It's here for 32. Under bidder, how do we feel about 34? We have it in 34 on the phone, ladies and gentlemen. 34 with the phone bidder. Looking for 36 next. I have it at 36 back with the web. Would you like to return for 38? Any underbidder want to come back? 38's back in on the phone now, looking for 4. We have it at 38 now, 4,000 with the web. Do you want to come in for 42? 4,000 right now with the web bidder. 42 now with the web. We need to see 44 for the next advance. The current bid is 44 now with the web. The bids are rolling in, ladies and gentlemen. We need 46 for the next one. Current bid is 44. 46 is in with the phone now, looking for 48. I have a current bid for 46 now. Any other bidder? They're back in at 48 now. We're looking for 5. Last 200 increment, and it's reached $5,000 now. We're looking for 55, and we have it at 55 now. Could I get 6? Here, 5,500. Looking for 6 in the next advance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see 6,000. Any underbidder? We're back in for 6 now. Looking for 65. I'm at 6. We need 65. We're in for 62.50. First cut bid here. Looking for 65 to follow. Current bid is 62.50. Will we see the full increment? Underbidder comes back. There we have it. 6,500 is in now, looking for 7. We have it at 7 now. Could I get 7,500? In for 7, bid 75, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see that 75 for the next advance. I'm in for 7. Underbidder, will you come back? It's at 7 against you. Did we leave it here? We're not leaving it here. 7,500's in now, looking for 8. I'm in for 75. How do we feel, underbidder? There's our 8,000, looking for 85 to follow. We're now in for 8. We need to see 85 for that next advance. Bidder, will you come back? It's at 8,000. $8,000 on the web is going once. I have it here for 8,000. There's our 85. Could I get 9,000 now? In for 85, underbidder. Will we leave it here? Will you come back? It's your call. We have it at 8,500 with the web. It's going once. 8,500 with the web is going twice. Bidders, are we all in all done? This lot is about to be sold. No regrets. Gavel's up, and it is sold for 85. Paddle number 1751. And we move now to lot number 135, a Millard Fillmore portrait of a Fillmore County bank proof. We are looking for an opening bid of 1,800. Could I get There it is, 1800. How about 19? We're in for 18 now. Thank you very much for that opening bid. We're looking for 19 for the next advance. Here for 18, bid 19. Ladies and gentlemen, any interest at 19? Holding here with 18. It's at 18 with the web. It's going once. 1800 is here with the web bidder. It's going twice. Ladies and gentlemen, is there any interest at 19? We're about to sell this lot for 1800. So then we shall sell it for 18. Paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 136, looking for an opening bid of 1800. This is a gorgeous Red Wing proof. I have it at 18 now. Could I get 19 for the next advance? At 18 with a web. Bid 19. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see 19 if there's any interest. We're holding here with 18. We have it at 19 on the phone. Now looking for 2,000. Under bidder, would you like to come back? I have it at 19. 2,000 now, looking for 22. Here for 2,000 with the web bidder. I need to see 22 for the next advance. 22 is back on the phone now, looking for 24. I have it at 2,200. It's with the phone bidder. 24 now on the web. Could I get 26? We're in for 24 right now with the web. There it is. 26 on the phone now, looking for 28. Ladies and gentlemen, the current bid is 2,600. Initial bidder's back with 28. I need 3,000 for the next advance. Here for 28. We're back for 3. Now looking for 32. 3,000 is right now with the phone bidder. We need 3,200 for the next advance. Web bidder is back for 32. We're looking for 34. The current bid is 3,200. We're back for 34 with the phone. Now looking for 36. Ladies and gentlemen, the current bid is 34. I need 36. Web bidder, how do we feel? Are we in for 36? I have it at 3,400 with the phone, going once. 3,400 with the phone bidder, going twice. Last call for 36. We're about to sell it to the phone. And web bidder, it is sold for 3,400 to paddle number 17938. Now moving on to lot number 137, we're looking for an opening bid of 2,400, and it's here. 2,400 is in. It's a rarely seen vignette, Major Waldron's Terrible Fight. I have it at 2,400 here with the web. We need 26 for the advance. Ladies and gentlemen, do we have any interest at 26? We do. 26 is in. Thank you, new bidder. 28 is back from the initial. Let's see it for 3,000. At 28 right now. Bid 3. We have it at 3 now. Can I get 32? Initial bidder, would you like to come back? We have it at 32 now. Looking back to the underbidder, will you come back for 34? Here for 32. Bid 34. Do we have any interest here? 34 is in now. Could I get 36? 34, 36. Let's see 38. I have it at 3,600 right now with the web. We need 38 for the next advance. Will you come back? There we are. 38's in. How about 4,000? I have it at 38 right now. I need 4 for the next advance. 38, 39. Cut bid. We'll see if it holds. I'm at 39 right now. We need 4,000 for the next advance. Underbidder, will you come back? I have it at 39 against you. I need $100 more. We're at 39. There it is. 4,000's in now. Looking for 4,200. Initial bidder. The cut bid didn't hold. We need 42 from you now. Will you come back? I have it at 4,000, going once. 4,000 here with the web, going twice. This is your last call to come back for that 4,200 before we sell this lot. Fair and final warning, and it is sold for 4,000. Paddle 1751. Lot number 138. It's a detailed hunting vignette here, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking for an opening bid of 2,400. Need that 2,400 for the opening bid. Do we have any interest? And we do. 24 is in. Thank you, web bidder. I'm looking for 26 for the next advance. Here for 24 now on the web. Looking for 26 now. 24, 26. Could I get 28? 28 now. Looking for 3. I have it at 2,800 with the web. I need 3,000 for the next advance, ladies and gentlemen. Here for 28, bid 3. 2,800, 3,000 now. Looking for 32. 3,000, 32. Come back for 34 now. We're at 32. I need 34 for the next advance. How do we feel? Initial bidder, do we want to come back? I have 32, 34, 36 now. Could I get 38? Here for 36 now. Looking for 38. Do we have any interest? 38. There it is. 38's in. Could I get 4? I have it at 39. Another cut bid for 39. Let's see it for 4 next. Here for 39. Bid 4,000. Under bidder. Do we want it for 4? I have it at 39. There's our 4,000. Now we need to see 42. We're here for 4. Bid 42. Is there any further interest? I have it at 4,000 going once. 4,000 here with the web. It is going twice. Underbidder, fair and final warning, it's about to be sold. And it is sold for 4,000. Paddle 1751. And we move to lot number 139, an attractive Minnesota rarity. We have it at 2,400 with the opening bid. Thank you very much. Looking for 26 to follow. From St. Paul, we have it at 24 here with the book, pardon me, with the web. 26, 28 now. Could I get 3,000? I'm at 28. Come back for 3. 28, 3,000. Looking for 32 next. Come back for that 32. We're in for 32 now. Looking for 34. 32, 34, how about 36? I have it at 3,400 right now with the web. We need 36 next. 34 bid 36, how do we feel? I'm at 34 with the web. 34 is going once. 3,400 with the web. It is going twice. Ladies and gentlemen, last call for 36. We're about to sell it for 34. Fair and final warning. And it is sold for 34. Paddle 1751. Moving down, lot number 140 with the current bid of 360. Could it get 380? Another from St. Paul here, ladies and gentlemen, at 360 with the book. Come on in with that 380. We have it at 360, 380, 400 now back on the book. Could it get 420? 400 with the absentee, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480. The book is out. We have it at 480 with the web. I need 500 next. Last $20 bidding increment, if there's any interest. There we go. 500's in now, 550. Could it get 600? I'm in for 550 right now. We need 6 next. How do we feel about 6? We're in for 550. 600 now. Could it get 650? 600, 650 now. How about 7? I have it at 650. It's with the web. We need 7 for the next advance. How do we feel, bidders? I'm at 650. It's here with the web. It's going once. 650 is here with the web, bidder. Going twice. Are we all in, all done, ladies and gentlemen? We're about to sell it for 650. If so, then we shall sell it for 650. Paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 141. We're looking for an opening bid here of $1,800. Another from St. Paul. We have it. There we go. 18, 19, 2,000 now. Looking for 2,200 from Ramsey County Bank. I have it at 2,000 here with the web. I need 22 for the next advance. 2,000, 22. How about 24? 22, 24, 26, 28. Looking for 3 next. I have it at 2,800. We need 3,000. 3,000's in now. Looking for 32. 3,000 here with the web. Bidders, do we want it for 32? It's at 3,000. 3,000 bid 3,200. I have it at 3,000 with the web. It's going once. 3,000 here with the web bidder. There's our 32. How about 34? It's at 32 right now with the web. Now 34. Could it get 36? 34 with the web. There's our 36. Could it get 38? 36 bid 38, ladies and gentlemen. I have it at 36 with the web. It's going once. 36 with the web. It's going twice. Last call of 38. We're going to sell it. This is your fair and final warning. All right, bidders. It is sold for 36. Paddle 1751. We now move to lot number 142 with the current bid of 2,400. Thank you for the opening bid. We're looking for 26 next. I have it at 24 right now with the web. Thanks to the opening bid. Now at 26. How about 28? We're here for 26. I need 28. 28's in, followed by 3,000. Could it get 32? This is a well-designed proof, evocative of the frontier, ladies and gentlemen, at 3,400 here with the web. Now looking for 36 for the next advance. 34 bid 36. Do we have any interest here? We have it at 36. Now 38. How about 4,000? Here for 38. Now looking for 4. Any interest at 4, ladies and gentlemen? There we go. 4,000's back in, followed by 42. How about 44? Under bidder, come on back. You lost it. It's here for 42. We need 44 from you. There it is. 44 is back in. Let's see it for 46 next. I have it here at 44. We're looking for 46. Bidders, is there any interest? Here for 44. We have it at 46 here with the phone. Now looking for 48. Online bidders, you don't have it now. It's with the phone at 46. We need 48 to follow. Would any underbidder like to come back? I have it at 4,600 with the phone bidder going once. 4,600 is here with the phone. It is going twice. 48 is back on the web. Would you like to come back for 5? I have it at 4,800. 5's back into the phone. Now looking for 5,500. We're here for 5 now. Web bidders, I need you to come back for 500 more at 55. Will you return? 5,000 with the phone is going once. 5,000 with the phone bidder is going twice. Online bidder does return for that $5,500. I'm looking for 6,000 next. I'm at 55. We're back for 6 now on the phone. Web bidder, we're looking back to you. Will you return for 6,500? I have it at 6,000 against you now. We need 65 to follow. Are we in? Are we out? I have it at 6,000 here with the phone, going once. $6,000 here with the phone. 6,500 here on the web now, looking for 7 for the next one. I have it at 6,500. It's here with the web bidder. We are now looking for 7,000 for the next advance. Ladies and gentlemen, is there any interest at 7,000? We have it at 65 here with the web. It is going once. 6,500 here with the web. It is going twice. Last call for 7 before this lot is sold. And ladies and gentlemen, it is sold for 65. Paddle 1751. Now we move to lot number 143 with a current bid of 700. Could it get 750? From Taylor's Falls, Minnesota, we have it at 750 now. The book is out. Bids rolling in. Here for 800 right now, looking for 850. 775 cup bid didn't hold it. 850, 900 now. Could it get 950? I'm in for 9 now, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see 950. 900, 950 now. Could it get 1,000? In for 950, bid 1,000, ladies and gentlemen. Any interest at 1,000? We have it for 1,000 now. Looking for 11. 1,000 on the web, bid 11 for the next advance. Any underbidder want to come back? We've moved to $100 bidding increments. I need 1,100. I'm at 11 now. Looking for 12. 11 bid 12, ladies and gentlemen. 11 on the web is going once. 1,200 now. Could it get 13? 1,200 with the web. I need 1,300. Is there any interest at 13? I have it at 1,200 here with the web. 1,200 is going once. 1,200 with the web bidder is going twice. There's our 1,250. Nice cup bid. 1,300 follows. Under bidder, you got to come back. That cup bid didn't hold it. Do you want it for 14? I have it at 13 here with the web. It's going once. 1,300 here with the web. It's going twice. Are we all in, all done? I'm about to sell it for 13. Sold for 13. Paddle 17958. Moving down, lot number 144 with a current bid of 1100, going to get 1200. I'm in for 11, looking for 12. There we are, ladies and gentlemen. 1200 now, going to get 13. In for 12 with the web, we need 13, 12. 13 now, come back for 14. I bid at 13 against you, under bidder. I need 14 next. Here for 13 now, 14, going to get 15. 1400, bid 15. There's our 15. How about 16? We're at 15 right now with the web. I need 16 for the next advance. Come on back for 16. It's at 1500 now, 1600, going to get 17. I'm at 16 right now. I need 17 for the next advance. Here for 16 with the web. Going once. 1650, nice cut bid. How about 17? We need $50 more to make it 17. Do you want to come back? I would at 1650 going once. 1650 is going twice. Bidders, are we all in, all done? Fair and final warning. All right, then it is sold for 1650. Paddle 17958. Excellent use of the cut bid. Moving now to lot number 145 with a current bid of 1900. Going to get 2000 from Winona, Minnesota. We have it at 26, and the book is out, ladies and gentlemen. With that 2600 from the web, the book is cleared. I need 28 for the next advance. Here for 26, bid 28. 26 is going once. 26 with the web bidder. There's our 27. A cut bid is in, ladies and gentlemen. How about 28? Under bidder, would you like to come back? I have it at 27 against you. I need $100 more. There it is. Back to full increments with 2800. What about 3000? Here for 28 now, bid 3. Any interest at 3, ladies and gentlemen. I have it at 28 with the web. It's going once. 2800 with the web bidder. It's going twice. Last call for 3 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. And it is sold for 28. Paddle 17958. Next, moving on to lot number 146 in Mississippi, ladies and gentlemen. We're looking for an opening bid of 600 here. This is a Mississippi Railroad proof rarity. I'm looking for 6 for the opening bid. Do we have any interest here at 600? 600's in. Thank you, web bidder. Looking for 650 to follow. I have it at 6. We need 650. Bidders, is there any interest at 650? I have it at 6 on the web. It's going once. 600 on the web. It's going twice. Last call of 650. It's about to be sold. Sold for 6. Paddle 17958. Lot number 147, we have a current bid for 1100, and I'm looking for 12 for the advance. I have it at 11. Let's see that 12, 11, 12, 13 back on the book. Got to get 14. From Aberdeen, Mississippi, ladies and gentlemen, I have it at 13 here with the book. There we are, 14, 15 back with the book. I need 16 next. Under bidder, come back. We need 1600 from you. You don't have it yet. The book still holds it. What about 1600? We have it at 15 with the book. Now 16, 17 now. Got to get 18, 17, 18, 19. Still with the book, though. 2200 is still with the book. Come back for 24. You don't have it yet. Let's see 24 if you want this lot. Under bidder. We have it at 22. You could come back for 24. Do we leave it here? It's your call. I have it at 2200 with the book. It's going once. 2200 with the absentee. It's going twice. Last call for 24. It's about to be sold. And bidders, it is sold for 22. Paddle 1800. Now we move to lot number 148. This is a remainder from a rarely traded institution. I have it at 338, 4042. Back with the book. Got to get 44. From Benton, Mississippi. The Benton and Manchester Railroad and Banking Company. I have it at 4200 here with the absentee. Do you want to come back for 44? 4200 with the absentee is going once. 4200 here with the book. Going twice. Last call for 44, ladies and gentlemen. We're about to sell this lot. All right, then it is sold for 42. Paddle 1800. Now we move to lot number 149. Lot number 149, we have a current bid of $3,400. I'm looking for 36. An unlisted Mississippi proof, ladies and gentlemen, with Venus rising from the sea. I have it at 3,400 with a book. I need 36 for the next advance. Do we have any interest at 3,600, ladies and gentlemen? I have it at 34. It's here with the absentee bidder. I need 36 for the advance. There we go. 34, 36, 38, 4,000. But it's a prior. Come back for 42. I have it at 4,000 right now. It's a prior book bid. There we go. 4,200's in. The book is out. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm looking for further interest now at 4,400. We have it at 42 with the web. I need 44 for the next advance. Bidders, are we all in, all done? It's at 4,200 with the web. It's going once. 4,200 with the web bidder is going twice. Fair and final warning, I'm about to sell it. And bidders, it is sold for 42. Paddle 17958. Now we move to lot number 150, New Jersey, ladies and gentlemen. This is an immense New Jersey issue. Note rarity. We have it at 600 here with the book. I need 650 for the advance. From 1851 out of Belvedere, we have it at 600, 625, 650, 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 right now. We need 18 for the next advance. It's at 17 with the absentee bidder. Under bidder, come back. I have it at 17 against you. We need 18. 17 bid 18, ladies and gentlemen. Under bidder, are we all in, all done? I have it at 17 going once. 1,700 on the book is going twice. This is your last call to come back for 18. Web bidder, fair and final warning. Sold for 17, paddle forward 397. Next is lot number 151. I have a bid for 600. That's our opening bid. Thank you very much, web bidder. I'm looking for 650 next. From the Bergen Iron Works, we have it at 600. 650 now. Could I get 7? I'm at 650. 700. Could I get 750? It's at 7 right now. Bid 750. Do we have any interest at 750? I'm here for 7 right now with the web. Come on in for 750 if you want it. There it is, 750. 800 now. Could I get 850? 800, 850. 900 now. Could I get 950? I'm at 9. 950, 1,000 is what we're looking for, ladies and gentlemen. Here for 950 now. Bid 1,000, 1,000, 1,100 now. Going to get 12. In for 11, bid 12. Let's see it under bidder. Do we want it for 1,200? The initial bidder holds it. I have it at 11. Any other bidder want to come back? There we go. 1,200, 13 now. Going to get 14. I'm at 13 right now with the web. We need 14 for the next advance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see 1,400. I have it here. 13, 14, 15 now. Going to get 16. I have it at 15 here with the web. We need 16 for the next advance, ladies and gentlemen. 1,500 here with the web. It's going once. There it is. 16, 17 now. Could I get 18? I have it at 17 with the web bidder. We need 18 for the next advance. Ladies and gentlemen, is there any interest at 18? I have it at 17, 18, 19. Could I get 2,000? We're in for 19. I need 2. And there's our 2. Now 22. How about 24? I have a current bid at 22 right now. We need 24. Will you come back? There we are. 24 is in. Followed by 26. How about 28? We have it at 26. Will you come on back? I have it at 2,600 going once. 26 with the web is going twice. Are we all in, all done, ladies and gentlemen? If so, then we shall. Sell it for 26, pedal 2595. And move to lot number 152. We're looking for an opening bid here of 360. This is a lot of 2, ladies and gentlemen. Bordentown, New Jersey. Looking for 360. Thank you very much, web bidder. 360's in. Looking for 380 for the next advance. Here for 360, bid 380. 380 we have now. Could I get 400? I'm at 380. We need 4. Underbidder, come on back. 380 against you. There it is. 400's in. We're still in increments of 20. Feel free to come on back. We have it at 4. I'm looking for 420. 400 here with the web. It's going once. 400 with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 420. It's about to be sold. All right, bidders, it is sold for 4. Paddle 17958. Moving to lot number 153. Here, with a current bid of 480, could I get 500? From Burlington, we have it at 480, 500, 550 now. Could I get 600? I have it at 6 now, 650. Could I get 7? 650 here with the book. Bid 7 for the next advance. Underbidder, come back. The book still holds it here. We have it at 700, 750, 800, 850 now. Looking for 9. I have it at 850, 900, 950 now. Looking for 1,000. Last 50 increment, and it's reached. 11 is back with the book. How about 12? We have it here for 11. It's with the absentee. I need 12 for the next advance. 12, 13 now. Could I get 14? Here for 13 with the absentee. I need 14 for the next advance. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1750. 1,800 is back with the book. Underbidder, you got to come back for that 19. It's not yet yours. The cup bid didn't make it. Will you come back for 1,900? I have it at 1,800. Still with the book. Going once. 1,800 still with the absentee bidder. Going twice. Last call for 19 before we sell it, ladies and gentlemen. Sold for 18, paddle 4397. Moving to lot number 154 with a current bid of 480, 500, 550, 600, 60 bids rolling in, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see where it lands. Currently at 13, currently at 15, 17, 18. Is that where we're stopping here? All right, we have it at 1,800 right now with the book. I need 19 for the next advance. Underbidder, would you like to come back? The book still holds it at 18. From Camden, New Jersey, I have it at 1,800 going once. 1,800 here with the book. It is going twice. Last call for 19. I'm about to sell it, ladies and gentlemen. And it's sold for 18, paddle 4397. Thank you for the bidding on that one. Moving on to lot number 155. We have an exquisite Cape Island proof here. I have it at 950 here with the book. We need 1,000 for the next advance. Bidders, any interest here? Here for 950, now 1,000. The book is out. Looking for 11 for the next advance. Web bidder, you've cleared it at 1. There we go. 11's in now. Going to get 12. I have it at 11. Underbidder, there we go. 1,200's in. Could I get 13? In for 12, bid 13. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I have it at 13 now. Could I get 14? 13, 14 now, bid 15. In for 1,400, bid 15 for the next advance. 1,500 now. Could I get 16? I have it at 15. We need 16. Any interest? We have it at 15. 16 now. Could I get 17? I have it at 1,600 here with the web. We need 17 for the next advance. Ladies and gentlemen, let's see it for 17. I have it at 16. I need 17. How do we feel, ladies and gentlemen? I'm at 1,600 with the web. It's going once. 1,600 here with the web bidder. It's going twice. Last call for 17. We're about to sell it for 16. Fair and final warning. And bidders, it is sold for 16. Paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 156. We're looking for an opening bid here of 360. Do we have any interest here, ladies and gentlemen? I'm looking for 360 for the opening bid. Do we have any interest? Auction estimate upwards of 800. We just need 360 for this opening bid. Do we have any interest? I'm looking for 360 going once. Looking for 360 going twice. Bidders, fair and final warning, and there's our 360. Thank you, web bidder. We're looking for 380 now. I have it at 360. We need to see 380 for the next advance. 360 is going once. 360 with the web bidder is going twice. Are we all in, all done? If so, it is sold for $360. Paddle 117215. Moving now to lot number 157 with the current bid of $480. Could I get $500 here for $480 with the book? Bid 5 of the advance. Ladies and gentlemen, any interest at 5? I just need $20 more. There it is. 500, 550, 600, 650. And with that, the book is out. Ladies and gentlemen, web bidder, you hold it at 650. You've cleared the book. Could I get $700? I have it at 650, bid 7. 650 with web is going once. 650 with web is going twice. Last call for 7. It's about to be sold. And bidders, it is sold for $650. Paddle 17958. Now moving to lot number 158, a very rare deep red tinted proof, ladies and gentlemen. Beautiful color here. We have it at $950 with the book. I need 1,000 of the advance from Frenchtown, New Jersey. There we go, 1,000, 1,100's in. Now looking for 12. Here for 11 with the web. I'm looking for 12 for the next advance. Do we have any interest at 12? It's here for 11. Any further interest? I have it 11 with the web. It's going once. 1,100 with the web bidder. There's 1,150. Nice cut bid. Let's see if it holds. I need 1,200. We're back for 12. We need 1,300 now. Under bidder, you need to come back. There it is, 1,250. A new cut bid. How about 1,300? I have it at 1,250 right now. Come back for 13. Any bidder want to come back? Just $50 more. 1,300's in now. Could I get 14? I have it at 13. Bid 14, ladies and gentlemen. Any further interest at 14? We have it here at 13. 14's in now. Could I get 15? Here for 14 now. Bid 15, ladies and gentlemen. 14. 15 now. Could I get 16? I have it at 15. We need 16 next. How do we feel? We're in for 15. I need 16. 1,500 is going once. 1,500 is going twice. Underbidders, this is your last call. We're about to sell it for 1,500. All right, no regrets. Gavel's up, and it is sold for 15. Paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 159 with a current bid of 600. Could I get 650 from Millville here? We have it at bids rolling in. Let's see where it stops. And 1,100 breaks the book. Let's see it for 1,200 next. I have it 11 here with the web. I need 1,200 now. 11 with the web. Bid 1,200. Bidders, is there any further interest? I have it 11. It's here with the web bidder. There's our 1,200. Going to get 13. 12. 13 now. Going to get 14. 1,300 with the web. Bid 14 for the advance. Is there any interest at 14? I have it at 1,300 with the web. It's going once. 1,300 here with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 14 before we sell. Ladies and gentlemen, it is sold for 13. Paddle 17958. Now moving on to lot number 160 with a current bid of 360. Could I get 380? It's at 360 with the book. I need 380 for the advance. 360, 380, 400, 420, 440, 460, 480. Bids rolling in. Ladies and gentlemen, where will it stop? We're at 13, 14. And that's a prior. You need a return for 15. You don't have it yet. There we go. 1,500's in. The book is out. Web bidder, you hold it at 1,500. I need 16 for the next advance. Bidders, is there any further interest? We have it at 1,500 with the web. It's going once. 1,500 with the web bidder is going twice. Any other bids? Fair and final warning before it's sold. Sold for 15. Paddle 17958. Next is lot number 161, a colorful proof impression from New Jersey. We have it at 12, 13, 14, still with the book. 15, 16, 17, 18. How about 19? I have it at 1,800, 1,900, 2,000 now. Looking for 22, 22, 24. Come back for 26. It's not with you yet. There we go. 26, 28, 29, 3,000. I need 3,200 next. Underbidder, the cut bid didn't make it. How do we feel about 32? I have it at 3,000 with the book. It's going once. 3,000 here with the absentee. It's going twice. Underbidder, are we all in all done? This is your last chance to come back for 32. All right, then it is sold for 3,000. Paddle 4397. Lot number 162, we have a current bid 400. Going to get 420. From Mount Holly, ladies and gentlemen, I have it at 400 with the book. There it is, 400, 420, 440. Bids rolling in. Let's see where it stops. 650, we seem to stall here. 700, 750, the book is out. We have it at 750 right now with the web. I need 800 now for the next advance. 750 bid 8. 750 is here with the web. 750 with the web bidder is going once. 750 with the web is going twice. Last call for 8. We're about to sell, ladies and gentlemen. And it is sold for 750. Paddle 17958. Next is lot number 163, a riveting full-color Newark proof. Ladies and gentlemen, I have it at 480. Thank you for that opening bid. We are looking for 5 of the next advance. Here for 480, bid 500. Do we have any interest? We do. 500's in now. Could I get 550? Here for 500, 550 now. Could I get 6? I'm at 550 now. 600. Could I get 650? It's at 6. We need 650. Is there any further interest here? Underbidder, would you like to come back? Any underbidder. We'd like to see it at 650. There we go. 625. We'll take that cut bid. Still looking for 650 though. I have it at 625. Bid 650, ladies and gentlemen. 625, there's our 650 now. 700, could I get 750? We're into 7 now, now 750. What about 8? Here's 750 now, bid 800, ladies and gentlemen. Any interest at 8? I have it at 750. It's not 800 now. Pardon me, it is 800 now. There's 825 now, it's not 800. 850 is here, what about 9? I have it at 850 with the web, we need 900 for the next advance. 850 bid 9. I have it at 850 with the web, it's going once. $8.50 here with the web. It's going twice. Under bidders. Last call. About to sell. There's our 9. How about $9.50? In for 9. Now $9.50. Let's see it for $1,000. I have it at $9.50 now. Could I get 1? Under bidders. Are we all in, all done? It's at $9.50 going once. $9.50 is going twice. Last call to come in for just $50 more. All right, then it is sold for $9.50. Paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 164. Bids are rolling in. We're stalling here a little, but not too much. 1,100 now, 1,300 now. Looking for 14, 14.50 now. The book is out. It's a superb gem Newark banking company $5 proof, ladies and gentlemen, at 1,500 right now with the web. We're looking for 16 for the next advance. The web bidder has cleared the book. We have it at 1,500 with the web. It's going once. 1,500 is here with the web bidder. It is going twice. Last call for 16 before this lot is sold, ladies and gentlemen. Sold for 15. Paddle 17958. Next is lot number 165, ladies and gentlemen. Current bid of 380, bids rolling in. This is an extremely rare custom vignette seen here. We have it at 550 now. I'm looking for 6. 550 is a prior book bid, but 600 clears the book. Congratulations, web bidders. We're still moving here, though. I have it at 650 now. 700. Could I get 750? 700, 750 now. Come back for 8. Here for 750 right now. Looking for that 800. We have it at 8 now. Could I get 850? 800 bid 850. How do we feel, ladies and gentlemen? I'm at 8. 800 with the web is going once. 850 now. Could I get 9? I have it at 850. I'm looking for 9 next. 850 with the web. Bid 900. Bidding is stalled. We're at 850 going once. 875. We'll take that cup bid. Still looking for 900. Underbidders back in for that 9. Now let's see 950. 900 bid 950, ladies and gentlemen. I have it at 900 here with the web. It's going once. 900 here with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 950. We're about to sell it, ladies and gentlemen. And it is sold for 900. Paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 166. We have bids coming in here, ladies and gentlemen. Important early full color tinting. We have it at 1,700. I'm looking for 18. 18, 19 now, looking for 2,000. From Salem, ladies and gentlemen, I have it at 1,900 here with the book. I need 2,000 for the next advance. I have it at 19, bid 2. Still with the book here. Web bidder, do you want to come back? It's at 19 against you. 19 is going once. 1,900 with the book is going twice. Underbidder, are we all in, all done? I'm about to sell it to the book. All right, then we shall sell it for 19. Paddle 4397. Now moving to lot number 167, the current bid of 424, 44, 64, 8,500. Now the book is out. We're looking for 550 to follow, ladies and gentlemen, from, pardon me, Athens, Ohio. We're starting Ohio here, ladies and gentlemen, with Athens. We have it at 500, 550 now. Could I get 600? I have it at 550 now. We need 6, and we have it at 6 now. Could I get 650? 600, 650 now. Come in for 7. 700 now. Could it? There we are. 750, 800. What about 850? I'm in for 8. Now 850. Now 9. Could I get 950? 900 with the web bid. 950 next. 950 we have. Could I get 1,000? 1,000's in. How about 11? Here for 1,000, bid 11, ladies and gentlemen. Any interest at 11? We have it at 11 now. Could I get 12? 11, 12, bid 13. I have it at 12 right now. We need 13 for the next advance. 13's in. Could I get 14? 13 with the web, bid 14. 1,300 is going once. 13's going twice. Last call for 14. It's about to be sold. Sold for 13. Paddle 70, 57. Next, lot number 168. Here we have a current bid for 360. Could I get 380? From Baltimore, ladies and gentlemen, we have it at 360. I need 380 for the advance. Any interest here? 360 with the book is going once. 360 with the book is going twice. Last call for 380. 380 is in, followed by 4. Back on the book. Could I get 420? Web bidder, that 380 didn't cut it. You got to come on back for that 420. The book still holds it here. If you want it, come on back. I have it at 400 going once. There's 420, 440. We need 460 from you. 440 still with the book. Here for 440 going once. 440 is with the absentee bidder. It's going twice. Under bidder, are we all in, all done? I'm about to sell it for 440. All right, then it is sold for 440 to the absentee bidder. Paddle 3756. Moving to lot number 169. Here we have a current bid of 300. I'm looking for 320. 320 is in. 340, 360, 380, 400, 420. Bids rolling in. Let's see where it stops. And we're at 550 and the book is out. We have it at 550 here with the web. We need 600 for the next advance from Canton, Ohio. We have it at 550 with the web. Going once. 550 here with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 6 before it's sold. And bidders, it is sold for 550. Paddle 17958. Now into lot number 170 with no current bids, ladies and gentlemen. We are looking for 300 for the opening bid. I have it at 300 with the web. I'm looking for 320 next. Ladies and gentlemen, we have it at 3 here with the web. Thank you very much. We need 320 for the next advance. We have it at 300, 320 now. Come back for 340. 320, 340 now. Come in for 360. We're at 340. I need 360 next. Under bidders, back in at 360. Let's see for 380 now. I have it at 360, 380. Come in for 4. At 380, looking for 4. 400 now. Could I get 420? Here for 4, bid 420, ladies and gentlemen. I have it at 420 now. Could I get 440? 420, 440, bid 460. 460 we have. How about 480? I have it at 460 here with the web. We need 480 next. 460 bid 480. It's at 460 with the web. It's going once. 460 with the web. 480 is in. 500 now. Looking for 550. I'm at 5, ladies and gentlemen. We need 550 for the next advance. Here for 5, bid 550. 500 with the web is going once. 500 with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 550. I'm about to sell it for 5. All right, bidders. It is sold for 500. About a 179.58. Number 171, here we have a current bid for 360. How about 380? 360 with the book, bid 380 for the advance. Ladies and gentlemen, 360, 380, 400, 420, 440 now. Bids rolling in. Let's see where it stops. And at 950, the book is out and the web has it. How about 1100? I have it at 950 right now with the web. Could I get 1? Just $50 more. Not moving to 11 yet. I have it at 950 with the web. It's going once. 950 here with the web bidder. There's 975. Nice cut bid. Here for 1,000 now. Looking for 11. I'm at 1,000. We need 11 for the next advance. Under bidder, would you come back? That cut bid didn't make it. We need to see 11 from you. I'm here for 1,000 going once. I'm here for 1,000. It's going twice. Last call for 11. We're about to sell it. And it is sold for 1,000. About a 179.58. Now on to lot number 172, a rarely encountered dual color protector scheme. We have it at bids rolling in, 850, 900 now, and the book is out. How about 950? I have it at 900 with the web. We need 952 advance. Ladies and gentlemen, do we have any interest at 950? It's here for 9. I need 950. 900 with the web is going once. 950 is in now. Could I get 1,000? In for 950, bid 1,000. 1,000's in now. Could I get 11? Here for 1,000, bid 11. Under bidder come back at 1,100. We have it at 11 now. Could I get 12? 1,200's in with the web. We need 13 next. I'm here for 12. Now 1,250. Cut bid. 1,300's back in. Let's see it for 14. 14 now. 15 now. 16. 17 is what we're looking for. I have it at 16, bid 17, ladies and gentlemen. 17 we have now. Could I get 18? 17 here with the web, bid 18 for the next advance. Under bidder, will you come back? It's at 17, bid 18. 17 is going once. 17 is going twice. Are we all in, all done? If so, it is sold for 17, about a 179.58. Lot number 173, we're looking for an opening bid here of 480. We have it at 480 now. Thank you very much. Looking for 5 to follow. From Cincinnati, we have it at 480 with the web. I need 5 for the next advance. Here for 480 with the web bidder, it's going once. 480, 500 now. Going to get 550. I have it at 500 right now with the web. I need 550 next. 550's in now. Going to get 600. I have it at 550 with the web. We need 6 bidders. Any interest at 6. I have it at 550 here. 550 bid 600. 550 with the web is going once. 550 here with the web bidder is going twice. Last call for 6. I'm about to sell it, ladies and gentlemen. All right, then it is sold for 550, about a 179.58. Moving to lot number 174, we're looking for an opening bid of 480, ladies and gentlemen. Do we have any interest here at 480? From the Bank of Ohio Valley, we're looking for 480, pardon me. Any interest at 480? Auction estimate is up to 1,200. We just need 480 for this opening bid. We're looking for 480 going once. Looking for 480 going twice. Last call before we respectfully pass on this lot, ladies and gentlemen. And we shall respectfully pass on to lot number 175. Lot number 175, we have a current bid of 360, 380 now. The book is out. How about 4? I have it at 380 right now. We need 4 for the next advance. 380 with the web is going once. 380 with the web bidder is going twice. Bidders, is there any for their interest? We're about to sell it for 380. All right, then it is sold for 380, about a 179.58. Moving now, lot number 176 with a current bid of 300. Could I get 320, 320, 340 now? The book is out. How about 360? I have it at 340 right now with the web. We need 360 for the next advance. Is there any for their interest, ladies and gentlemen? The Miami Exporting Company. I have it at 340 going once. 340 here with the web. It's going twice. Bidders, fair and final warning before we sell this lot. And it is sold for 340, about a 179.58. Moving to lot number 177, the current bid of 420. Could I get 440? 420, 440, 460, 480, 500, 550. Bids rolling in. We have it at 850 now. The book is out. How about 900? At 850, bid 900. Bidders, is there any further interest here? We have it at 850 with the web. It's going once. 850 here with the web bidder. It's going twice. Last call for 9. It's about to be sold. And bidders, it is sold for 850, about a 179.58. Moving now, lot number 178, we're looking for an opening bid of 900, ladies and gentlemen. And we have it. 900's in now. Could I get 950? I have it at 9 with the web. We need 950 to follow. Any interest at 950? I have it here for 9. 9 with the web is going once. 900 with the web. There we are, 925. Cut bids in. Still looking for 950 though. 950 we have. Could I get 1,000? Under bidder. Cut bid didn't make it. Do you want it for 1,000? Just $50 more. We have it at 950 with the web. It's going once. 950 with the web bidder is going twice. Under bidder. Last call. About to sell it for 950. And it is sold for 950, paddle 17958. Now moving to lot number 179. Here we have it at 900. Could it get 950? It's at 9 with the web. I need 950 next, ladies and gentlemen. At 9, bid 950. How do we feel? 900 with the web is going once. 900 with the web is going twice. Bidders. Last call for 950. It's about to be sold. All right, then we shall sell it for 900, paddle 17958. Lot number 180 has a current bid for 300. Could it get 320? Bids rolling in. It's at 440 and the book is out. How about 460? With 440, the web has it. Is there any further interest? I have it at 440 going once. 440 with the web is going twice. Last call, fair and final warning. Sold for 440, paddle 17958. Moving to lot number 181 with a current bid of 550. Could he get 600? I have it at 550, 600 now, 650, 700, 750 now. Could he get 800? 800's in. Looking for 850. We have 900 now. The book is out. How about 950? We're at 9 right now. I need 950 next. Any bidder want to come in for 950? We have it at 900 with the web bidder. And 900 is going once. I have it here for 900 now, 925. Cut bid is in. Holding with the cut bid. 950 is back. How about 1,000? We just need $50 more. Would you like to come back for 1,000? I have it at 950 with the web. Going once. 950 with the web bidder is going twice. Last call for 1,000. We're about to sell it. All right, then it is sold for 950, paddle 17958. Lot number 182. We have it at 480. Thank you very much, web bidder. That was our opening bid. We need 500 for the next one. From Columbus, Ohio, we have it at 480 here with the web. And 480 is going once. 480 here with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 5. We're about to sell it, ladies and gentlemen. There's our 500. Could I get 550? I have it at 500, 550 now. Could I get 6? 550 with the web. Bid 600 for the next advance. 550. I need to see 6. 550 with the web is going once. 550 with the web is going twice. Last call for 6 before we sell it, ladies and gentlemen. And it is sold for 550, paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 183, we have it at 360, 380, 400, 420 now. Could I get 440? 420 with the web, bid 440 for the next advance. Ladies and gentlemen, do we have any interest at 440? I have it at 420. It's here with the web bidder. 440's in. Could I get 460? 440, 460, 480 is what we need. I have it at 460 right now with the web bidder. I'm looking for 40 next. 40's in. Could I get 5? I have it at 480, 500 now. Could I get 550? 500 with the web, bid 550 for the next advance. 550's in. Could I get 6? 600 now. Could I get 650? I have it at 6 with the web. We need 650. Any interest at 650, ladies and gentlemen? 625, cut bids in, still looking for 650. 650 we have. Could I get 7? It's at 650. It's with the web. I need 7 for the next advance. 650, bid 7. Is there any interest, ladies and gentlemen? I have it at 650 with the web. It's going once. 650 with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 7 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. And bidders, it is sold for 650, paddle 17958. Now on to lot number 184. This is a desirable piece of LDS church history, countersigned and reissued in Utah. Ladies and gentlemen, we have a current bid for $6,000. I'm looking for $6,500. $7,000 here for the Latter-day Saints. Let's see it for $7,500 for the next one. I have it at $7,000 here with the book. Looking for $75 for the next advance. Bidders, do we have any interest at $75? $7,000 is still with the absentee. $75 is in, but it's a prior book bid. Come back for $8,000. I have it at $75. We need $8,000. Is there any interest at $8,000, ladies and gentlemen? It's a prior book bid. Web bidder, you don't have it yet. You got to come back for that $8,000. 75 bid 8. It's at 75 here with the book. It's going once. 7,500 here with the absentee bidder is going twice. Under bidder, last call. You can come back for that 8,000. There we go. 8,000's in. The book is out. Web bidder, you now hold this at $8,000. We are looking for 85 to follow. Here for 8,000, bid 85. Is there any further interest at 8,500, ladies and gentlemen? 8,000 with the web, going once. 8,000 here with the web bidder, going twice. Bidders, last call for 85. We're about to sell it for 8,000. And it is sold for $8,000. Paddle 299924. Moving now to lot number 185 with a current bid of $6,000. With $6,000, the book is out, ladies and gentlemen. We're looking for $6,500 for the next advance. It's a conditional rarity from the Kirtland Safety Society Bank, ladies and gentlemen. I have it at 7 right now. I'm looking for 75 for the next advance. At 7, bid 75. Any interest? And there it is, 75, 8,000. Looking for 85 for the next one. Here for 8, bid 85. Come on back for that 85. It's at 8,000 right now. I need 85 for the next advance. Under bidder, do we let it go here? You can come on back. It's at 8,000. I need 85 for the next advance. Are we in or we out? I have it at 8,000. It's going once. 8,000 here with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 85 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. There it is. 85 is in. How about 9,000? 9,000 now. Bidders, we're looking for 9,500 for the next advance. We're in for 9. I need 95. Looking for that 9,500 to come back. Will you come back, web bidder? It's at 9 against you. 9,000. 9,500 is in now. Looking for 10, and we're at $10,000. Ladies and gentlemen, I need to see 11 now for the next advance. We've reached 10,000. We're in $1,000 bidding increments. Will you return for 11? I'm here for 10, going once. $10,000 here on the web is going twice. Now, underbidder, this is your last call to come back for 11,000. We're about to sell it for 10. Fair and final warning, no regrets. Gavel's up, and there it is. A cut bid of 10.5 is in, but it's 11,000 with a quick return. Underbidder, I'm going to need to see 12 from you. It's at 11 right now. Decisive action from the current bidder. We have it at 11,000 going once. 11,000 here with the web is going twice. Underbidder, last call, and we're back for 12 now, looking for 13. I'm in for 12 now, 13,000 now, looking for 14. Once again, decisive action, back at 13 very quickly. Underbidder, would we like to return? I have it at 13 against you. 13,000 is on the web going once. 13,000 is going twice. Are we all in all done? I'm about to sell it for 13,000. Fair and final warning, no regrets. Gavel's up. Sold for $13,000. Paddle 17958. Congratulations to the winning paddle. 17958. And moving on to lot number 186, the current bid of $650. Could I get 7 at $650 with the book bid? 7 for the advance from Springfield, Ohio. I have it at $650. 700 now. Could I get 750? 700. 750 now. Could I get 8 at $750 bid 800, ladies and gentlemen? 750 going once. 750 with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 8 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. And there's our 8. Now 850. Could I get 9? I have it at 850 with the web. We need 9 for the next advance. 850 bid 9, ladies and gentlemen. 900 now. Could I get 950? 950's in. What about 1,000? I have it at 950. We need 1,000 for the next advance, ladies and gentlemen. How do we feel about 1,000? I have it at 950 here. Looking for 1,000 next. Just $50 more. Are we in or we out? I have it at 950 going once. 950 with the web is going twice. Underbidder, last call. Come in for 1,000 before we sell. All right, then it is sold for 950. Paddle 17958. Moving on now to lot number 187. Could I have a current bid of 300? Could I get 320? 300 with the book bid, 320 for the advance. 320, 340 is in. The book is out. How about 360? We have it at 340. I need 360. And there it is. 360 is in. How about 4? We have it at 360, 380. Looking for 4 now. I have it at 380 right now with the web. We need 400 for the next advance. Underbidder, come back. We have it at 4 now. Could I get 420? 400, 420 now. Come on in for 440. 440 is in. Now 460, 480 is what we need. We're at 460. I need 480 to follow. Underbidder, will we come back? It's at 460 going once. 460 here with the web. Going twice. Bidders, we're in for 480 now. 500 now. Going to get 550. In increments of 50 now. Underbidder, do you want to come back for that 550? I have it at 500 going once. 500 with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 550 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. And it is sold for 5. Paddle 17958. Lot number 188. Moving on to Pennsylvania, ladies and gentlemen. Here we have it at 500, 550, 600, 650. Bids rolling in. Let's see where it stops. We're at 14, 16, 18, 2000, 24. 25 is a prior. You need to come back for 26 now. It's at 2,500 still with the book. We need 26 for the next advance. Underbidder, will you return? I have it at 25 against you. It's at 25 as a prior book bid going once. 2,500 with the book going twice. Underbidder, this is your last call. About to sell it to the book for 25. And it's sold for 25. Paddle 4397. Lot number 189. We have a current bid for, we'll see where it stops. 1,300, 1,500, 1,600, and the book is out, ladies and gentlemen. We're at 16 right now with the web. I need 17 for the next advance. From the Farmers Bank of Bucks County, we have it at 1,600 with the web. It's going once. 1,600 with the web is going twice. Last call for 17 before it's sold. Sold for 16, paddle 17958. On to lot number 190. I have it at 950 now, looking for 1,000. I have it at 950 with the web, bid 1,000 with the advance. Ladies and gentlemen, is there any interest at 1,000? We have it at 1,000 now. Thank you very much. Looking for 11. 1,000, 11. Come back for 12. I have it at 1,100 right now. I need 1,200 for the next advance. Here for 11, bid 12, ladies and gentlemen. 1,100 looking for 12. I have it 11 with the web. It's going once. 1,100 with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 12 before we sell it, ladies and gentlemen. And bidders, it is sold for 11, paddle 179.58. Now on to lot number 181. We're looking for an opening bid of 360 on this one, and we have it. Thank you very much, web bidder. Looking for 380 for the next one. From Chambersburg, Pennsylvania, I have it at 360 here with the web. Is there any further interest? 360, 380 now. Could I get 400? I'm at 380 right now. We need 4. 380, 400 now. Could I get 420? At 4 right now. Bid 420 for the next advance. At 4, bid 420. How do we feel? We have it at 420 now. Could I get 440? 420, 440. How about 460? I have it at 440 right now. We need 460 next. 440, bid 460, 460, 480 now. Could I get 5? We have it at 480. We just need $20 more. We come on back for that 500. 5's in now. Could I get 550? 5 out of 550 now. Could I get 6? In for 550. Bid 600. Let's see that 600, ladies and gentlemen. I'm at 550. I need 600 for the advance. 575. You know, we'll take that cut bid. We're still looking for 6, though. I have it at 575. There's our 600. How about 650? 6 with the web is going once. 600 with the web bidder is going twice. Last call for 650. I'm about to sell. Ladies and gentlemen, fair and final warning. Sold for 6, paddle 179.58. Next, lot number 182 with the current bid of 750 now. The book is out. We're looking for 8 to follow. Here's 750 right now with the web. Come on in for 8 if you want this lot. I have it at 750. 750 with the web is going once. 750 with the web bidder is going twice. Last call for 8 before I sell. All right, bidders, it is sold for 750, paddle 179.58. Lot number 183, we have a current bid of 750, looking for 800. From Doylestown, we have it at bids rolling in, 13, 14, 15 with 1,500. The book is out. Ladies and gentlemen, the current bid is 1,500. We need 16 for that next advance. I'm at 15 with the web, bid 16. 15 with the web bidder is going once. 15 with the web is going twice. Last call for 16, and bidders, it is sold for 15, paddle 179.58. Next, lot number 194 with the current bid of 360. Could I get 380? Bids rolling in, ladies and gentlemen, from Easton, Pennsylvania. From Farmers and Mechanics Bank of Easton, we're at 1,200. 13 and the book is out, ladies and gentlemen. I have it at 13 with the web. I need 14 for the next advance. 13 here with the web bidder. Bidders, is there any further interest? I have it at 1,300 with the web. It's going once. 1,300 with the web. It's going twice. Bidders, fair and final warning before we sell. Sold for 13, paddle 179.58. Next, lot number 195, a rare and stylish Venango Bank $50 proof. We have it at 2,400. The book is out. How about 26? Here for 24 with the web. Bid 26 for the advance. From Franklin, Pennsylvania, we have it at 2,400 going once. 24 with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 26. About to sell. Sold for 24. Paddle 179.58. Moving to lot number 196, we have a current bid of 42.46. Right now with the book, it's 4,600. I need 48 for the next advance. From Germantown, Pennsylvania, we have it at 4,600. Still with the absentee bidder. Could I get 48? 46 bid, 48. Ladies and gentlemen, it's at 46 with the book. It's going once. 4,600 with the book. It's going twice. Last call, 48. About to sell. And bidders, it is sold for 46. Paddle 2533. Moving to lot number 197, we have a current bid for 2,000, 2,200 now. Going to get 24. It's at 2,200 right now, ladies and gentlemen. I need 24 for the next advance. A colorful high denomination proof. Here for 22 with the web. Looking for 24 for the next advance. 22 with the web is going once. 2,200 with the web bidder is going twice. Last call for 24. We're about to sell this lot, ladies and gentlemen. And it is sold for 22. Paddle 179.58. Lot number 188, we have a current bid for 2,400. It's with the web. We need 26 for the next advance. 24, bid 26, ladies and gentlemen. Is there any interest at 26? I have it here for 24. 2,400 with the web is going once. 24 with the web is going twice. Last call for 26. It's about to be sold, ladies and gentlemen. And it is sold for 24. Paddle 179.58. Lot number 189. We're moving on with a current bid of 2,800. I am looking for 3,000. This is a $2,000 bill, ladies and gentlemen. An extremely rare and superb grade for this. We have it at 2,800 here with the web. We are looking for 3,000 with the advance. 3,000's in. Thank you very much. 3,200 follows. Could I get 34? We're in for 32 right now. I need 34 for the next advance. 32, 34, 36. Could I get 38? In for 36. Bid 38, ladies and gentlemen. I need that 38 to follow. I'm in for 36 right now with the web. I'm looking for 38. Any interest at 38? I have it at 36 with the web bidder. Going once. 3,600, 3,800 now. Could I get 4,000? It's at 38, 4,000 now. Could I get 42? Here for 4,000, looking for 42. Ladies and gentlemen, is there any interest at 42? We have it at 41. Cup bid, 42 follows. How about 44? I have it at 4,200 right now with the web. We need 44 for the next advance. At 42, bid 44. How do we feel, ladies and gentlemen? 42, bid 44. 4,200 with the web is going once. 4,200 with the web bidder is going twice. Last call for 44 before we sell. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to be sold. And it is sold for 42, paddle 17958. Congratulations, winning paddle. Moving on to lot number 200, ladies and gentlemen. This is a very rare issuer for genuine notes. I have it at 1,700, now 1,800. The book is out with 19. How about 2,000? I have it at 1,900 right now with the web. We need 2,000 for the next advance. Bidders, is there any further interest? At 2,000, we have it at 1,950. That's close. 2,000 follows. How about 22 under bidder? You didn't get it with the cup bid, but you might with 22. Come on back. We have it at 2,000, bid 22. We have it at 22 now. Got to get 24. 22, 24 is in now. Got to get 26. Here for 24, bid 26. Let's see it under bidder. Do you want to come back? I have it at 24, bid 26. 2,400 with the web is going once. 24 with the web. There's our 26. How about 28? 26, 28 now. Got to get 3,000. In for 28. Bid 3, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see that 3,000. I have it at 2,800 now. $3,000. Could I get 32? 3,000, 32. Could I get 34? I'm at 32 right now, looking for that 34 for the next advance. How do we feel, ladies and gentlemen? 32, 34. Could I get 36? 36 is in. What about 38? I would have 36, bid 38 now. How do we feel? Are we all in, all done? I need 38 next. I would have 36 going once. 3,600 with the web is going twice. Last call for 38 before we sell this lot. Fair and final warning, no regrets. Sold for 36, paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 201 with a current bid of 600. Going to get 650. I have it at 6. It's with the web. We need 650 to follow. 600 with the web, ladies and gentlemen. It's going once. I have it at 600 here with the web bidder. It is going twice. Last call, and there it is. 625, 650 to follow. There it is. 650 is in. Going to get 7. I have it at 650 right now with the web. We need 7 for the next advance, ladies and gentlemen. Come on back for 7 if you want this lot. I'm in for 650. We need to see 7. 650 with the web, and it's going once. 650 here with the web, and it's going twice. Last call for 7 before we sell this lot, ladies and gentlemen. And it's sold for 650, paddle 17958. On to lot number 202 with a current bid of 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000, 1,200, 14, 15. With that 1,500, the book is out, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking for 16 now for the next advance. We're here for 15, bid 16. Is there any interest at 16? I have it at 1,500 going once. 1,500 with the web is going twice. Last call for 16 before we sell, and it is sold for 15, paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 203 with the current bid of 900. Could hit 950. I'm at 9, now 950. Bids rolling in. Let's see where it stops. We're at 16, 17, 18, 19, and the book is out. We're here for 19 right now, looking for 2,000. Under bidder, would you like to come back for 2? It's at 19 right now, bid 2,000. Here for 1,900 with the web, going once. 1,900 with the web bidder is going twice. Last call for 2 before we sell. All right, bidders, it is sold for 19, paddle 17958. Now on to lot number 204. Ladies and gentlemen, we have bids rolling in. 600, 650, 700. Bids rolling in. Let's see where it stops. We're at 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1,900 right now. Still with the book at 19. This is a gorgeous layout and rarely encountered bank. We have it at 1,900 right now with the absentee bidder, online bidder. I need you to return for 2 if you want this lot. From the Consolidation Bank, I have it at 1,900 with the book. 1,900 is going once. Here for 1,900 with the absentee bidder, going twice. Last call for 2. We're about to sell it. And bidders, it is sold for 19, paddle 4397. Next, lot number 205 with a current bid of nothing. We're looking for 600 for the opening bid, ladies and gentlemen. I'm looking for that opening bid, and we have it. 600's in, looking for 650 next. Proof here, choice uncirculated 64. We have it at 650, 700 now. Going to get 750. I'm at 7 bid 750, ladies and gentlemen. Any interest at 750 from the Farmers and Mechanics Bank of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. We have it at 700 now, looking for 750. 700, 725, looking for 750 next. I have it at 750 now. Could I get 750, 800 now, looking for 850. Here for 8, bid 850. Do we have any interest at 850? It's at 800 with the web. It's going once. 800 here with the web is going twice. Last call for 850 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. And bidders, it is sold for 800, paddle 17958. Lot number 206, we have a current bid for 1,000, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2,000. Looking for 22. 22 is in. It's with the book still, though. You don't have it yet, web bidder. Come on back for that 24. It's at 2, bid 24. Will you come back? We can leave it here. It's your call from the Gerard Bank. A rare Stephen Gerard portrait here. Portraiture. I have it at 2,200 here with the book. It's going once. 2,200 here with the absentee. It is going twice. Any bids for 24? Fair and final warning before this lot is sold. All right, then we shall sell it for 22, paddle 43.97. Next, lot number 207, with the current bid of 380, could it get 400? Here for 380, bid 4. Ladies and gentlemen, any interest at 4? I bid at 380 with the book. It's going once. 380 is here with the absentee bidder. There's our 400, followed by 420 back on the book. Could it get 440? 420, looking for 440. Under bidder, how do we feel? Do you want to come back for that 440? I bid at 420 against you. And 420 is going once. 420 with the absentee bidder is going twice. Initial bidder, fair and final warning. We're about to sell it to the book for 420. This is your last call. Sold for 420, paddle 4397. Lot number 208. We're looking for an opening bid here of $300. Do we have any interest? Auction estimate is up to 700. Just need 3, and we have it at 3. Thank you very much. Web bidder, I'm looking for 320 for the next bid. 300 bid 320. 320 is in. Now 340. Could it get 360? Here for 340, bid 360, ladies and gentlemen. Any interest at 360? I have it at 340. 340 with the web is going once. 340, 360. How about 380? I have it at 360, 380 now. Could it get 400? 380 bid 4, ladies and gentlemen. 400's in now. Could it get 420? 400, 420 now. What about 440? 420 right now with the web. We need 440 next. 440's in. Could it get 460? Here for 440 bid 460, ladies and gentlemen. Any interest at 460? 460 we have. Could it get 480? Do we leave it here? Under bidder, it's your call. I have it at 460 bid 480. Do you want to come back? There it is. 480's in. 500 now. Could it get 550? We're into $50 bidding increments. Also accepting cut bids at this point if you want to come back. I have it at 500 bid 550. 500 with the web is going once. 500 on the web is going twice. Under bidder, last call, about to sell it. All right, then we shall sell it for 5. Paddle 179.58. Moving to lot number 209 with a curve bid of 750. Could it get 800? 800, 850, 900, 950, 1,000, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 clears the book. How about 2,000? We have it at 1,900 right now with the web. Could it get 2,000 for the next advance? This is an extremely rare Philadelphia Bank $50 proof. I have it at 19 right now with the web. Bidders, any further interest? It's at 19 going once. 1,900 with the web is going twice. Last call for 2 before we sell. And bidders, it is sold for 19. Paddle 179.58. Lot number 210 with a current bid of 850. Could it get 900? 850 here, bid 900. There it is. 900's in. Web's out. Or, sorry, in front of me. The web has it. Book's out. But 1,000's in. 1,100 now. 1,200 now. Could it get 13? We're at 12 right now. Bid 13. Do you want to come back for that 1,300 under bidder? There we go. 13, 14. How about 15? I have it at 14 right now with the web. I need 15 for the next advance. 1,400 bid 15. 1,450. 1,500. There we go. How about 16? I have it at 15 right now with the web. I need 16 next. 15 bid 16, ladies and gentlemen. It's here for 15. It's with the web. 15 with the web is going once. 15 with the web is going twice. Last call for 16. About to sell, ladies and gentlemen. And it is sold for 15. Paddle 179.58. Moving on to lot number 211, we have a current bid for 2,000, 22, 24, 26, 28 now. Could it get 3? 3,000's in now. The book still has it. How about 32? From Stroudsburg, Pennsylvania, we have it at 3,000 right now, and the book has it going once. $3,000 with the book. It's going twice. Last call for 32 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. Sold for 3, paddle 43.97. Now on to lot number 212 from Virginia, ladies and gentlemen. This is an unusual green tinted Alexandria specimen note. We have it at 600 with the web. Thank you very much for that opening bid. We're looking for 650 for the next advance. I have it at 6 right now. We need to see 650. Ladies and gentlemen, we're in for 650 now. 700 now. Need 750 for the next advance. I'm in for 7. Bid 750. Under bidder, come back. There we are. 750's in. How about 8? 750, 800, looking for 850 now. We have a current bid of 800 right now. We need 850 to follow. Under bidder, would you come on back? 825, cut bid, but it's 850 back. Would you come back now for 9? The cut bid didn't make it. I need to see 900 from you. Will you return for 9? I have it at 850 right now. 850 with the web is going once. 850 going twice. Bidders, we're about to sell this one. There it is, 900, 950 though. Looking for 1,000 next. It's the last $50 bidding increment. Will you come on back, under bidder? Just $50 more before we reach 100. I have it at 950 right now. You can come back for 1,000. 950 bid 1,000. How do we feel, under bidder? Do we leave it here? It's your call. I have it at 950 going once. 950 with the web is going twice. Last call for 1,000 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. Right then, it is sold for 950. Paddle 179.58. Moving now to lot number 213. This is an extremely rare odd denomination, $9 bill, ladies and gentlemen. Bids rolling in here from Blacksburg, Virginia. We have it at 800. The book is out. Web bidder, you hold it at 8 time, looking for 850. 800 here with the web. Bid 850 for the next advance. Is there any further interest at 850? For this $9 note, ladies and gentlemen, I have it at 800 here with the web. It's going once. $800 here with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 850 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen, and it is sold for 8, paddle 17958. Now on to lot number 214. This is a rare denomination from Charlottesville. An $8 note here, ladies and gentlemen, 2,800. Looking for a 3,000. 28s with the web. I'm looking for 3 for the next advance. Is there any interest at 3? We have it at 2,800 with the web. It's going once. 2,800 here with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 3 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen, and there's our 29. Nice cut bid, but 3,000 returns. How about 3,200? I have it at 3,000 right now. We need 32 for the next advance. Underbidder, would you come back? The cut bid didn't hold it. We need 32. I have it at 3,000 going once. $3,000 going twice. Last call for 32. I'm about to sell it for 3. Sold for 3. Paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 215 with a current bid of 480. Could it get 500? I have it at 480 with the book. Bid 5 of the advance bidders. Any interest at 5? We have it at 480 going once. 480 here with the book. It's going twice. Are we all in, all done? About to sell it to the book for 480. Sold for 480, paddle 43.97. Lot number 216, we have a current bid 360, going to get 380. Front Royal, Virginia, we have it at 380 now. The book is out, going to get 400. Here for 380 with the web, it's looking for 4. Any interest at 4? I have it at 380 going once. 380 with the web, it's going twice. Last call for 4 before we sell. Sold for 380, paddle 17958. Moving now, lot number 217, a very rare West Virginia banknote. We have it at, West Virginia Bank. We have it at 600, 650 now, looking for 7. I have it at 650 here with the web. We need 7 for the next advance. Bidders, any interest at 7? There's our 7, now 750. What about 800? Here's 700, 750, 800, 850, 900, 950 now. Could I get 1,000? I'm at 950 right now 1,000, now 11. Could I get 12? In for 11, 12 now. Could I get 13, 12, 13 now? Looking for 14, 14 we have. How about 15? 15's in. In fact, I'm looking for 16 now. We have it at 1,500 here with the web. I need 16 for the next advance. Ladies and gentlemen, any interest at 16? It's here for 15, and 15's going once. I have it here for 15. It's going twice. Last call for 16 before we sell. And bidders, it is sold for 15. Paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 218. We're looking for an opening bid of 420, ladies and gentlemen, and we have it. 420's in. From Norfolk, Virginia, we have it at 420 with the web. Could it get 440? 420 bid 440. Ladies and gentlemen, it's at 420 with the web. It's going once. 420 with the web. It's going twice. Last call for 440 before it's sold. Sold for 420. Paddle 17958. Next is lot number 219, a rarely seen and unusual denomination, ladies and gentlemen, a $15 bill. I have it at 1,800 now, looking for 19. We had a past reel about this odd denomination, ladies and gentlemen, as seen on our social media. 1,800 here on the web. I'm looking for 19 for the advance. 18 bid 19. Any interest here, ladies and gentlemen? We have it at 18. It's here with the web bidder. 1,850 is in. Now looking for 19. 1,850, 1,900. How about 2,000? I have it at 1,900 right now. Underbidder come back. Cut bid didn't hold it. We need 2,000 from you, just $100 more before it reaches 200. I have it at 1,900 here with the web. It's going once. 1,900 here with the web. It is going twice. Last call for 2 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. All right, then it is sold for 19. Paddle 17958. Moving now to lot number 220. Here we have a current bid for 1,900, 2,000 now. This is a rare vignette scene here, ladies and gentlemen. It's at 2,000 with the web. I need 22, and we have it at 22. Could I get 24? From Petersburg, Virginia, we have it at 24 now. What about 26? 24 bid 26, ladies and gentlemen. From the Bank of City of Petersburg, we have it at 2,400 right now. Is that where we stop? It's your call, underbidder. Let's see that 20. Well, we'll take 25. That's close. Looking for 26 next. Underbidder comes back for 26. Now we need 28. We need to see 28 for the next advance. The cut bid didn't make it. 2,600 here with the web is going once. 2,600 is going twice. Last call, ladies and gentlemen, before we sell. Sold for 26, paddle 17958. Now into lot number 221. This is one of the rarest banks in Virginia, ladies and gentlemen. A rare and choice issued Bank of Richmond $100 note. I have it at 2,600 here with the web. I am looking for 28 now for the next advance. 2,600 here with the web bidder. Ladies and gentlemen, do we have any interest at 28? This is 2,600 here with the web. I need to see 28. 27, we'll take that cut bid. 28 is back in. We're looking for 3,000 now for the next advance. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm here for 2,800 right now. I need to see 3,000 for the next advance. Do we have any further interest out on the web? It's at 2,800, bid 3,000. 2,800 is going once. 2,800 is going twice. Last call for 3,000 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. And this lot is sold for 28, paddle 17958. This concludes our presentation of the Caine collection of obsolete banknotes. We now move to lot number 222 with a current bid of $2,200. Going to get 24. Starting our Confederate currency here, ladies and gentlemen. It's at 2,200 with the book. We need 24 for the advance. Is there any interest at 24? 22 is going once. 22 with the book is going twice. Last call for 24. About to sell it. Sold for 22. Pedal 315829. Lot number 223 is current bid 500. Could get 550. I've been at 5 on the book, but need 550 for the advance. From 1862, $100 note. 500 is going once. 500 with the book is going twice. Last call, 550 for it sold. Sold for 5, paddle 3264. Lot number 224 is current bid for 750. We're looking for 8, ladies and gentlemen, from 1862. Another $100 note here. We have it at 750 going once. 750 on the book, going twice. Last call for 8 before it's sold. Sold for 750, paddle 314, 178. Moving to lot number 225 with a current bid of 900. Could get 950. At 9, bid 950, ladies and gentlemen. A penned military endorsement on this one, and it's at 9 with the book going once. 900 here with the book. It's going twice. Last call for 950 before we sell it. And bidders, it is sold for 9, paddle 290, 524. Lot number 226, starting our fractional currency. Here we have a current bid for 600. I'm looking for 650. This is a first issue, ladies and gentlemen. 600 with the book. Bid 650 for the advance. Any interest at 650? It's at 600 with the absentee. It's going once. 600 here. With the absentee bidder, it is going twice. Last call for 650 before it's sold. And bidders, it is sold for 6, paddle 252, 742. Lot number 227 is the second issue. I have a current bid of 900. I'm looking for 950 for the advance. 900, 950, 1,000 now. Looking for 1,100 for the next advance. I have it at 1,000. It's with the book. I need to see 11 now. 1,000 with the absentee bidder is going once. 1,000 with the absentee bidder. 1050 is in, followed by 11 now. Got to get 1,200. I have it at 11. I need to see 12 for the next advance, ladies and gentlemen. Any interest at 12? Web bidder, you can come on back. It's at 11 against you. You don't have it yet. It's at 1,100 with the book. It's going once. 1,100 is going twice. Under bidder, come back. This is your last call. And it is sold for 11, paddle 1294. Moving on to lot number 228. Continuing with our second issue, we have it at we have it at 480 right now, looking for 5. Pardon me, we're still under second issues here. 25 cents here, 480 in the book. Could I get 5? 480 in the book, it's going once. 480 with the absentee, it's going twice. Ladies and gentlemen, last call before we sell it. And it is sold for 480, paddle 244, 086. Lot number 229, our third issue is here. We're looking for an opening bid of 900, ladies and gentlemen. With an inverted back error on this one, we're looking for 900 for the opening bid. Is there any interest at 9? We're looking for an opening bid of 900. Auction estimate is up to 2,500. Looking for 9 going once. Looking for an opening bid of 9 going twice. Last call before we pass. Ladies and gentlemen, we shall pass on to lot number 230. Lot number 230, we have a current bid for 1,000. Could I get 1,100? It's at 1,000 here. Looking for 11 for the advance. 1,000 with the book is going once. 1,000 with the book, it's going twice. Last call for 11 before we sell, ladies and gentlemen. And it's sold for 1,000, paddle 244, 086. Lot number 232. Might be 231, pardon me. Number 231, we're looking for an opening bid of 480. Could I get 480, ladies and gentlemen? The auction estimate is up to 1,200. I just need 480 for the opening bid. Looking for 480 going once. Looking for 480 going twice. Last call before we respectfully pass. Passing on to lot number 232. Moving on to lot number 232 with the current bid of 650. Could I get 700? At 650 with the book. Bid 7 for the advance. This is 50 cents. Third issue. 650 is going once. There's our 7. Thank you very much, Web Bidder. The book is out. Web Bidder, you hold it at 7. I'm looking for 750 next. Here for 7. Bid 750. 7 with the web is going once. 7 with the web is going twice. Last call of 750 before we sell. And bidders, it is sold for 7. Paddle 1248. Now on to lot number 233. We are looking for, we have 600. We need 650. I have it at 6. We're looking for 650 bidders. Is there any interest at 650? I have it at 6, going once. 600 with a book, going twice. Last call for 650. And we'll sell that one for 6. Paddle 273, 673. And the last lot of the session, ladies and gentlemen, here we have a current bid of 900, looking for 950. This is a bond. We have it at 9 with the book, looking for 950 for the advance. Do we have any interest at 950? The book holds it at 9, and 900 is going once. 900 is going twice. Ladies and gentlemen, fair and final warning before we sell this lot for 9, and it is sold for 900 to paddle number 253186. And that will conclude this session. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us. We hope you'll join us for part 2, which will be following shortly. Thank you so much for your time.